bantu sana no tukiarandia na uwe no kethwa kinyawe ukitira maoni yaku ni jariko na kuiva kama kawaida tena ndi nikande ni studio ukethwa kiwata geni wako geni abethro malikwira marito jao bariko kongwa nikendoka bamenya nkroki karibu sana mheshimiwa na wakili at the same time.
Thank you Cheupe. Kimarito ombitawa mukalia Muliongi wa John Tomboi Antuekabo Mabor.
Hey. Yeye marito jangana.
Eno le nje kwa. Nipenda wote introduce you mwana to alato kinyete ngolone yetu dai. Tokaya tutekwimenya mono. Agenante waimenya. Bwega mono nya kumenya le nje kwekaliata.
Very true.
Tukitu mpenda wote introduce you. Kurukia au mitandao akili. I'm an advocate of the Court of Kenya and Uganda. And the way Sheria, we practice Meru, Nairobi, and in office, and Arankubu. Kurukia, Makana 2007, Ndongami take Mjumbe, Saudi Mint.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. Karibu sana ndani ya rumuri la siasa.
Thank you.
Mheshimiwa?
Nte. Ivoya sana Cheupe mbere amba mbiririe na gukethia Meru bonthe babathikirite Meru TV kana baba tu bautwalilie ndiri na nkiwa ru ari ntu kwinja muno no kumenya ru ari ntu kwira Jesu ari ukirewe Cheupe ya hope that utibware mangai kinya mathina ya yonthe kuona twitite utiare mangai so inkubera bethe baina moyo kingwe cionthe ibakurita bakeyo kwa moyo nani mbita wa Dr. Sarah Kilemi kanante ndi aiwa waline nje kuni etako onani ndutonga ngawa nani mugoro gweta wa Kilemi muiria now by the way my father nweta wa Tomboi wa Ntomoitha na chariri gontu kweta wa Antoanu inonu waumire nura buthoma urana buthoma wa Biblia umite wetu so nani am a development economist and 2027 ketha ngishwa ite kya woman rep in Meru County and I'm here also to share what Merus want to learn. We are here to learn, to educate one another. Kenda gwikinya 2027 twithe atu inome tutiacokera ya twabwitheria 2022.
Okay. Ogutibirwa ngomutegenya na mukiria thire family nte ongera kana taura lakini itukubatere kwithira twina deputy speaker wa assembly ya county Meru Mwendali na akwithirwa agichererwa kanini ndinkuru agukinya mbitekiria mutegeri wa Meru TV twithirwe tukiarandia nwe kana tucoke kanya kanini tu tuve kuda tucoka nwe nikenda nwe tukethirwa tukiambirirwa ari wetu twethe turi amwe kwithirwa tumaraka mtanda.
Awole tiga gutinda kuigwatia thina ni gitarire okaigurira bikibiki na koguri kanini na gutiange ni ndene mutindo jwa kangangi ari akwijikene ja kwa Ismail Aribi aja ujo kwa Ivan wakinya mutindo jwa kangangi inamania na kijara kia Moi weje ogure bikibiki muthemba jo mwega jura jwijikana ja haujue ona kethro no kwenda muthemba jwa tuktuk tegera uria gwita tegera uria thongi nio iu na bikibiki ciatu ciina warrant na koguri ni kanini kiria gikwendekana kibande KRA pin na garanta umwe weja na deposit kanini ugaciana na bikibiki o au twina bikibiki imwe itenyunya mauta ingi nacio kainunkaira mariga ni ati spare twina cia kung'ana na ni bikibiki cia kinande iria ciumba kwithirwa cigikamata mirigo bwega turingira thimu ni kenda ukomba kuigwatira namba cietu cia thimu nicio iji ciandikia au kioni-ini giaku etagwo Ifan.
Anuje no waranire no bichi cia Meru TV na There FM ukaigwa kuri ontoboti ukugweria kumakere programu iria igwetaruone nandi no tume maoni jaku gukurukira email yetu iria ni merutvcomplaincenter@gmail.com kana uturingire thimu gukurukira 0140 794 142 Meru TV chionere mwanya.
Tugocokera ringi mutegeria Meru TV na muthikiri wa There FM tora kwirire deputy speaker tunakwithire tagicirero kanini ndakumba kwithira agikinya na ikio gitumi tujuka break kanini kenda tumwakanya omba kwithira kinya wagi karandi teta na mbere na rwari rwetu karibu sana mheshimiwa bakedi tukiambiriria
asante sana Jerry na keri mutegeria Meru TV na muthikiri wa There FM tubere turi atwarishia Meru muno mukario njia na mumiru wenzarari
kabisa. Okay, ukuriki guchibirwa abuthikiria otora kwirire omba kuthira gicajura Facebook Meru TV Kenya na rutero YouTube Meru TV Kenya rutero ngu live Africa Meru TV Kenya na wenda kuthira kintumira SMS kama kawaida ingukura namba yetu iri screen yaku omba kuthira kintukina mbeu ombe kwithirwa ukiaramithia na tukenda twina ro tukwenarwa nikenda omba kuthira gichanga opinion yaku niriko na kinyawe omba kuthirwa ukienda contribute na kile liko karibuni sana tungelita na mbele godrwa atukiaraniria katwambirie mateja mengi sana yethire tunyagita na mbele ndene thirikari yetu county ndene thirikari yetu ya Kenya katwambirie na thirikari yetu ya Kenya mbere tuchoka kile county na tukwenarwa DP wetu no kali na Pasaka atwambirie na Pasaka no tu daktari akombira rwari ni tukwira antu bayero hope DP wetu rwari no kali na Pasaka kwake iruduni na no bita kwithirwa gitantu bakwaya wa food staffs and all that kuna antu baingi betu bakiari miario tofauti kwiba kuwa batikona need ya bikura bila kwithirwa bakiezana thai ukienda gutesherekea antu kwiringi ina bwari batiko batere kwa bikura. At the same time, kuna mlamba wiliretu Pasaka no to ni Pasaka ni antu bera wa share what you have na antu bara bangi bakona na kuthiti bwa at least kurika na antu bawe iwe batere kuruma kantu bawo kali yatongeria just in general mnafikiria namna gani tambia wao mshinwa kwa yako wana
bila tayari happy Easter today Christ is risen new language tutumira Easter essence yo muno ikuri that our Lord has went through in contemporary world, you know, Koyana is not bad.
Yes.
Koyana is not bad.
Yes.
We na bila Mungu wako zalimite. Share with them. Tuone gopo ukara kite iruduni. That is the deputy president with precision. That was deputy president.
Yes.
No ukari na atori bawe. By share
Yes.
Inde mutongeri ndi mwenda ndikuona anything wrong with that.
Okay.
Spirit yakoyana comes from the heart. Kwa hivyo hiyo na batemi zake. Na mtu yatambiria dai. Kwa hiyo hata issue wa Kenyan politics. Kinyika liko za wakena Christmas ona leaders bakiana muno tuambiria na Christmas. Almost all governors. Ibaya na including Nyaimero. The president was doing that. Raila Moyo was doing the same. So, on any problem. You will be a
Oni kare matiambuge kwejana. Yentuli kega. Otem tumboka shu kwejana. But I think how no kadri that statement. Ondo onande kuretu alele. Ndivira tukwejana. Twejana alera kwena occasion si. Kwena ilo kwejana byakure. Ala gotina these occasions. Ndabara batira kana watu lape. Because now twategerande kuro yetu. Tubati kulide yamandu yala impact. Your own time. Kulide yamandu yala kwejana when Christmas. And it's a good thing kwejana. But I think as in African culture, nalea tuatura, tutedra tu na mantoja kwejana mono. Tutedra tu na boshia kira tu na kyo, tukagira amwe, tunontolo kwa antononto batena kyo. So mantoja ya kwejana nontri pasaka. I think we lost our track. Mantoja tu ya PR. Nonto tuti address the issues ila chimen mono. Chakwedra antobaro ko ureba. Babona ga kurant kweu antukwire ngene renge bakarami. So we need to address mantoja structurally in such a way tira tukweja nala nyatu tuwatuika tatu kweja na kirantu bara nonto batena kyo atukolera amwe nonto tinde tuinabyo
tokunguira
nonto uyoa boga in African chimwa chipe vile when I call my clansman to come eat, it's not because but in a view atu share in that commonality. But whatever tu kwana kiendelea dai kwa jana bora kwa jana alujo bakare. So we need to address deeper issues that will affect our country in terms of food. Nonto ilio into kila the main thing in our society. So better to take one address mantoje ilio kwa jana as a PR stand we are giving on Pasaka. To me, its meaning. Even if giving itself is good, like the intention of Yayombi, but together between a very good intention, sharing, they want to
Okay, thank you so much.
Iwaya sana. Mbere kambue kwea na no kwea. No yabu both of them baua kweyana is even godly. Okay, they are wina kono wiri kweyana. But inkienda kuile la buko karika at the NDP's home from two perspectives. Imwe ni mantu ya celebration. Ikedre it was purely to celebrate. Na uwa kankwenda wita antu kenda tuya to celebrate kurioka kwa mwathani yetu Yesu Kristo. Kenda na tu celebrate to ngonda the Lord is risen. Na nende tu ina hope ya that tomorrow will be better than today. Ya kwantu the hope na with the wina plan. Irachi overa non to Kristo has risen. No mwankendi na tukumenyo tibo baremangai. Kinya thina itu inacio cionthe itu inacio mwananchi wa kawaida inacio to celebrate that tomorrow is going to be better than today. From that angle, I think there is nothing wrong with it. But okay, ya kwitha nkuthuranitie antu mbia mba evia kuria antu kwira na ntaba an alternative ya biba issue iraru. Then the question is itubaereru ari ruimbi bakaria. So that is why I think it depends na perception yewe yukarimbi. Was a celebration. Ike ya with a celebration, then yandi na tukambe ya kurioki from tomorrow, non to has given us the hope that there is nothing that is a hand for the Lord kana otibware mangai nendi tubwiri kuona imikakati iri kwi ainio yo tuma mtu romba kuria today a celebrate today na celebrate tomorrow. As a leader itwithaira twina 2 interventions cia gutuma community kuria. Imwe ni rather short one itwita humanitarian intervention. Intervention unira ugetha muntu aina mpara utumbo mwira netere ubwithie maendeleo. So ike ya kwithira that is the way to do nawe ko bwiri kuriende au kan kabwitha kia ntuku imwe kana mbwithi kwithia ndina feeding centers kugethe iba wite every other time bakarea mwankamba prepare bomba kuimenyera bongwa. The other one is long term intervention. Iu no itubwiri kuona kire atongeria baba ikuo ni ate aba wita kenda batatu gwita antu beyo ba feed uketha akabwiyite o celebrate. Menya womba wita o celebrate no uketha witite kwa wabia kuria. There are 2 different things. Tuomba chamania tukarea tukawirua na tuomba kuya nontu ntikira arantu kwegu na ntina bia kuria. So we need to be very careful kinyake leaders tukibwithe tukethe itukwitha twina mibango yo tumantu bomba kuishikira bia kuria methene bongwa. Yes.
Kuna kitu Deputy President aliyekire kialo kiantukunarwa nethirwa akiwa ya kwamba utinduguru yakawa nandwa utinduguru yakawa ni rumi na utinduguru yumenya wita na mbere ukiathira antu batigwatanirite na kwa hivyo ogwa kintu kiromba kuromba mwantu betho bena kio ni unit lakini ke unit ile tukenda kutegera na ntere tionde Kenya dai ni gaukanite mushini wa gwitikanire nani kana kureganire gwitikanire nani Kenya ni gaukanite dai wantu bena tio bangi bena tio kila tukoona ni ndoa nyingi sana between the leaders of which ndo ile tuteka sote mwananchi wa kawaida. But do you think unity yomba kwa achieved akwithira akiatongeri barabongwa tukuonibo good examples baba tere kuda bari good examples kire wananchi bongo kwa yanete yo kibobongwa nontukio tegera mantu zemo zera tongeri bakwaria ni mantu kinya winde mwananchi wa kawaida yamwe ntomba kwa public lakini je jara tukona dai kuonekana ibambiri kutonyera ina families tia bangi na tebangi. Do you think Kenya to come back to achieve that unity? Because now it's really needed, but at the same time ikumakiri weka ikaonekana na atongere bokongo baba kudamakiro kidogo.
Thank you. So no matter if it is in Kenya watanirite.
Yes.
Lakini big road. To Kenya it's composed of so many tribes. In human tribes, then she has a Kenya or Russia, share a line of tribal basis. Can you but regularly any interest in power? Yes. Power. What is power? And what is politics? Politics means to acquire power. And a perception we went to venue. 2022 kwa mlengo wa Kenya Kwanza na Azimio. Law politics wa. Gachagua, the former deputy president, Kenya Kwanza.
Yes.
Minor president Ruto. Then the former president signed the Azimio. Ethnic incitement ile ya with to back then. Itabu nyingine liko. Gachagua bado kunya some stage range baada ya kuwata na Ruto we don't know why.
Yeah.
Na tujogomea tuna tutimenya. Ni watu wana babero. So Gachagua feel angry. So ashobora ingi back ya ndege. Galvanize. The Mount Kenya, Mount Kenya West. Ombo continue. Kana omba kuona ni ndo yake still na area maana kidikari that time.
Yes.
Kalo hiyo na shipite back ya ndege. Eta kulingike no sana essence kwa ile kaidi. Thinking and enda mnyabibanga. So she say Kenya hara kwenye this country. Kwa sababu watu wengi mwe kitu never happen. Kenya is a democratic society.
Yes.
And democracy, it is the will of the majority. And the minority have their say. So utira to Akinyatua as a nation to be united. To have better interests. Being in a democracy. democratic society tumeweka antoamo ile enzi ya Moi ile ya one party state kana ile Kenyatta ilipitwa na wakati democracy ina moyo na mahuku ya so ya main division ile ilikuwa na siasa.
At the same time kuna division weo do you think kwamba kwa tukiachieve what we want as Kenyans, because now itukuleta itutwarinyana mheshimiwa Raila Odinga na nethiri tutire awatamira na thirikari, so that means ndo notithire tuirio ora mheshimiwa uga, lakini at the same time no tegera rimo kona ndo indo sina benefit rimo no twikia ni kweza matunda meza ke, lakini dai kwetwika ikara yakai beyond politics nonto okay akuba matujara atongeriwa rimo pakutha bagikani ni amera bagikani ole tegera kona nya ile personal yaketi about politics anymore. Then not talk about matujara because Kenyans are suffering at the same time, but also suffer by Kenyans. What do you think atongeriba as much as being a different institution and interest yote kisiasa, then you over tele kodide non to Kenyans na over suffer at the end of it all.
Very much unity. What is unity? And how does unity come? Not to kenda to united, as a country to united. We mantiara to particular you to matter united. Tumba kwa united as a country. They have to move it towards a certain goal. It's about to come as a country. But as we start now, and what is happening, I don't want to neglect so much in this united. I don't say I don't want to let Chambira for a person. Because I think at the hierarchy of it, we are lacking a personal a purpose as a country of the direction that you are moving. Because now, once we are moving towards a certain goal, they don't want to go with Canadian. You look with a unity, then together, to improve whatever we are moving to as a direction that we did. Right now, as a country, we are moving towards ourselves. Whatever you see happening in the country, no one has interest of the country at heart. And that's why when a mantrato in our country, anyone can say anything without minding. Not to the end game yao is self-preservation yao for whatever they can get, whatever they can galvanize our communities in the tribal setups, can achieve their own goal, which we don't know. For us to unite as a country, we have to have a head game as a country. But as we speak now, we are divided, what we divided nonto, so whatever is bringing this unity, personal gains to the political class. And unless they shelve their political, their personal gains, whatever, because as he said, politics in particular, let the resources together to govern our country in a certain direction. But now we are not doing that. We are all going to self-individual interest. And that's why our country is really, and it's very unfortunate. And as Linda, as well, it's a very big shame. Whatever you are seeing, Mandiraja Kwendanara, the political arena, Mandira Qualia, the thing benefit came on each other. Marumi, they are competing at the arena that it in any benefit came on each other. And unless we come back now to the reality, and to be and to whatever Qualenara carry a mono, they are just keeping you busy. And together we can talk while an hour can benefit you, then you can relate to them. But as long as they are moving towards their selfishness, then Batu has 1 inch to move away from them.
Okay. How do we move away from them?
We move away from them.
Through the votes.
Yes, we move away from them without supporting them. we boycott their rallies. Kida uga rallies chakwira wejete otwira mantu ja kurumana ja kuchambia bange. We don't clap for them. Manao uliona baleta michemani era paka borenya ntu balabenda kenda balinga rwambi. So we need to educate our people because this is civic education. Kena ntu beto bamenya lera mtura rumana uwe mbie kumbenefit ni. Uwe mtura mutongeria no batwira ena idea zira chiku kumbenefit as a person and as a citizen. Lakini andelele etera na roho kurumana ruchoka ne rumi tukiona na ija contest rumi. Then tubati ubambana as a citizen. Ndi batu to ba empower ya tugetakira de chiao ko bakumia ko bainera ni bora then kwa tuka we don't agree with them nya we shun them from us tabera batu na direction you tuketie kirali to kwa ni manto ja ko kolemeria then leave us alone we go chart our own path with the leaders barabena better visions for the country.
Okay. Yes. At the same time daktari kile ambo wakili wa do you think wananchi by at fault because sometimes no forced to in any situation urekani
yes
not no wetu akima kulingana na nene economy irekani dai wananchi wa kawaida ena bini nyingi sana no ke otwiko kaibu ungeta muchemanyo na yo angania mbume ona shilingi maana jeri kana ja tano maybe ana baka pale mtuku kana ngige 1 2 3 then utaenda mahali pale then na tanto bakadidi no to ko boycott ko wanu no bale ko boycott no to mundo na kumnyandeta ngona something na something ira ni motevi ni one way or the other na tena jilengi so na te ko nyama ndo arojo no tuja rojo ya teo it's about thinking about today na new wananchi na kama kadide kima ndo
wea sana mbati kambikire sauti yakwa ki atongeria baraba kurumana baike kana ini public na bakimenya iboro mondeos ukume aria tukuthurire we mutongeria turenda muono kwilela kaua woni ndenda kwa mutongeria ya deputy speaker aria na arakia mantu yo kuri antu na arakia aitwaya at least hope that in a situation here they're very bad they are working towards making it better but urira mutongeria rwamire amberia kuruma mutongeria onge personally yamberia kwa personal wuni na uwe tukoria endikithe ibaruma na bongwa ri mwanya yo wuni na we nimbi wera ndi kuruma ndi wache nya no ri ningo kuona ngani aruma uronge na nwe nya mutongeria wa batwi so that is actually wrong direction ya mutongeria abwiria kwithira I am beyond reproach no ntu ibu ntu takuthurire ni no ntu itukumenya we no kwithira we better than us kenda na tu tuoni ambi direction second they na hope that we are not beyond repair kemanto ya unity unity can be achieved but unity tikua no mwanka mbithire nkiangiri na weke yonde yatukabwithia unity itukauga githe itukwenda gukuria region yetu ituwatanire tumikurie kinondo itukumea imbi bia tumire twikirwa itine biu kwi antu twakaritie kwi antu tu represented mantu ya yonde tukubwithia ri ya ukuria muntu ra tu represented uketha we have that purpose of that focus na twethe we have that same purpose no kumea ru unity ketherereo no ntu itukwenda ukuria nara twetire atia na atwaumire batira tuthurire atongeria by very selfish bayunguma kuni power bauretie baikuria bongwa au make sure woni tukarwanwe tukarwa na mheshimiwa no ntu iwoni ningwa nkuirwirwa biakwa so urioria no bwiri kwathurana yau na iworerie imutoro kuringa kura muringi kura twinde itubaishi itwichi antu batukuthura batitutethia ningi twabathura itwichi tabia cio na twabekira itine so tubwiri kuria batu ikethia nuthurire mwamba kana nuthurire murongo kana muntu te unity tabu kari either nwe neuru do you expect unity there and the answer is no so the ball goes back ke voters now wamboria voters na wabetwa mechamanione beta banenkerwa mbesha bakari awita no kinya wambite ndiri nkeya utumba gwira muntu utina mwate aita kwirea na kenda ura mwate. There is one thing I tell people in life, you need to be alive kenda umpa hope nkethira ntina moyo yura kana nkethira I'm hungry, I can't wake up, ni nawa nenkerandi. So nkaria nendi. The only thing kwira antu that it does not matter antu bawita iteibure. But be wise. Muntu mbira antu bwethe bwino ume. Be wise wabirea wethira ukimenya nubwiri wekira muntu ra watuma utatwa gwethagia kuromba. No ntu wekira muntu ro kwiyokwa today kenda kumbraive no ntu umbraivare. Antu baba kumbraive voters. Muntu ro kumbraive ruare au nkumetene kiu. Umenyorete rambraive urengi 5 years. So nobweri kuria baraba bonde ba ochware kinya wethe ano ambraive kana te ambraive ka kwendinda wetite on nkrambeze then mbone no wantethia uni so that at the end of the day kwithira ini ngwa ngwichureria mwate riu ampe kwithe kwina condition conducive environment cha muntu ukura ikwithire kwina security mbombe kuruta biashara ekwa kaichionera byakwa imbone ngui ndathiria githei ndathirire thukuru imbandikwe economy nione kumba kwa absorb antu betu twandikwa mutongeri unthurire na bwiri create environment yokuria mbi economy kenda mbumba kwandikwa ana betu iba kumba weta skuru bonde ukethea mwana te athoma ntiumba guthomethia mwana mutongeria uti kuona yo ya kubua keterete mwanka ringi yo ntumithia line anenkera mbese ingiriko no tunakumenya ustio it. So the ball is back into the voters. Kinya bwaria mbesa na ambwire aringi kura na nya undi muringi kura. Muntu rabwetira mbesa bureya abwete mbunenkere na bwe. Bahati muntu nawe mbia wea umenye muntu ura wende unkumire na mbesa ate kuritira ngui. Ayunkuma achokia mbesa ciawe ayunkuma ketete kuijenga. So withire bukiona muntu kwenda kuana ndingire ikura bukona bone na teta anturene cienu na bwithagia something bone muntu twamwikira ari kinya kethira atina mbesa ri omba kubwithio ntu bunene na atutethia twinthe.
Okay. Yeah. Mheshimiwa kichoka kiwe no tuteketera kidogo na hata twakinire hapa. Tulifika hadi hapa.
2020.
This is the first government ndona mtu akita kirato. Muchemanyo nyakagira president. This is the first government. I don't know kethira boga correct not maybe leo ya uni maybe de kini muno. Lakini nyoponete mtu yani president akiaria na rara Kisumu vera tunawaambia aje one time. Tunawaambia one time. Kama mchokeria like ora unitombo chokanire maybe na my agement na andi kurone. It's the first government ukona hantu bakiaria all sort of things online. Na ura makuri president mtoro batere akwithro no mtoro munene kabisa okireka kabisa no kura mateja moto teyenya kwirigira. Ndaka to imbiyo yongo inato etrero inato atimena mo esimo imbi laki te maybe kiri utongeria.
Opa akire. Mzee Kenyatta ndiye you were the first president, the founding president. Polisi rasho kupigana na ujinga, umaskini na magonjwa. Simple as that. Hatari na mambo kama ndio. Mzee Moyeya endelea na nyayo hizi. Akashika ile mkondo tu akaendelea. Then Kibaki came. Nilianza sunlight. Ulu aliendelea endelea. So Remo Kenyatta alikuwa literacy level tayari urikapela. Then hopelessness. Yenyewe ndio anababa ito agencies majority of them graduate. Wana PhD na masters but ina. So but ina hope. Na very frustrated. Maisha yanaombe. Utura kwa maisha na mali.
Yes.
Then wako na wamesoma. Then manzi IT the more invention English ile. Those years bitari going to be. So with a phone, a smartphone, no go back access it. Then go in a peer influence on the process. But I don't know zile labda those years back. Nyabara wa remote the level yake kwa mkira na ndimo ile. So kintu kingine kigere peer influence. And Kiragi are looking at the non-care attitude, both key leaders and okay. So the moment we frustrated, we depressed. Araomba ko vent murimo yu rone mutongeria na bama yes ni woman to book ya boya power lora kishia sigenya tutinga on ideologies the theory of as a nation and the baringa on policies and ideologies it is tribal to align to go in wetu tukaumira we just vote then after that you don't pay up on your life. But look already after all those mistakes were made. No katwa shokori in 2027. Na atongeri barabonde bata bagero bare under pressure. Ntanto batu kunida baba ikadomi. Social media iko kwa kila mtu sahi. Kila mtu sahi aona. Hoteli na dimondo tena dimondo radio. So these things together video it will be a challenge to anybody who aspire to a politician in the future. We messed up to Kiambelia. Our founding fathers messed up. Na tukaingia kwa hiyo matope. Twende ni authority. So we're doing you also the leaders. Because now Kenya Yubokura muno industrialize this country. Kenda tumba kwa so yani. In Africa, the biggest problem in Africa. Wataki the developed countries. Rabasho internationally kwa innovative industries. Kwa tuka serikali kule shanguli kwa inala avenues. So in Kenya, how in the trade and also in Africa, it's a problem we have. Not unless when they took industrialized konana bamba kwa absorbed serikali kwa bandi idena it's a serious problem na horeka ndai 5 years or 10 years to come bangiba kumashukuru batorito na forces
wengi sana
bishinda tu
na noto tupesinga kwa mashimo na mtu tete wapi
baraka tete no bete Yes, democracy.
Mbete.
Barabe na doubt na ndio ndio atete au ni. Na Singapore. Maybe to aki iko baada ya kuona na growth in the nation. To year from Kenya and Singapore some years back. They're the same level.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kenya and Japan the same level. Yeah, Kenya and South Korea. But you and they Nekere paraita, bado tuwajua bando tu.
Tuende na
a land world country. So wakwenda waende.
Kubaki wabaki.
Wale wanaota waota. Si tuko hapo tunafuata.
Unajua talking of the power, kuna kitu wakijungire oga tubarienda power. Like their own. Ti mwananchi wa kawaida. The leader party wa chama cha ODM walikuwa we are not ashamed to say that we want the power. Na kwa power lazima tukue kwa power. That tells you that maybe, just maybe, atongeria provided we na power, then mwananchi wa kawaida atakomata. Because okay, utogera mataja mengi jaraza ukarika kwenda ndiro bingi sana si wananchi, lakini wananchi bakiriro huu it's as if they are on their own. Kana yaka maybe I don't know kedra maybe ni atongeria ba so busy not to time ya lala salama na maybe atongeria ba busy kuletra wananchi promises kana ko fulfill maybe promises na kwa ngite bakara fulfill wananchi at the same time baki the basic need si mwananchi wa kawaida because okay, utegera so many projects nimbe yake mwananchi nimbe yake ndogoro ya Kenya, lakini long term meaning mantijaraja yake ya mwananchi ya kawaida jaraja daily yau yate kwa kitabu for I don't know what you think as a leader no tukinya wenu kwenda gitikina watu onegitine kyo maybe the difference uko bali no mbako make kulingana na utongeria bura ukuona tinya uoreo no jima tujama ingi manoja tiri tuja karika I don't know you are thinking kiri atongeria bongo nonto as much as kuna mathina ta maingi na maybe antu ibakwenda utongeria, but at the same time kuna mutoro wikite gitine kiu no mwananchi wa kawaida na wategera voting yubukwira nginya voting yubukwira no kwana ndi ya IBC dai ibarawira ndo 2012 kurudi hivyo au ni kama
Ateko.
Yakabateko. What does that say? Because ukiangalia kuma 2012 kuchoka njira ndio abateka bali nyenda ibakila fry bawati ibarabata bibilia biometric registration. What do you think?
Hivi cheke non tubakire na yari tubeta tuchidera turara turidai link commandment onto para to define our madness and doing the same thing the same way and expecting different results. When you see our country, how the political class by the Yamantijao is a systematic way they ended for a very wrong way, for a very wrong time. But now these days with technology, then it's becoming very difficult for you're wrong. And the people are educated and they work what is happening. And now utumba kulinga siasa ile out of touch na mwananchi wa kawaida. Whether you not be called out. I give one whatever is happening in our country today is a revolution. Like we are leaders, enough is enough. You know your games. You cannot to accept and normality. Now that's why when our country is at the brink that needs to be managed very well. Because out of the education, there are so many people educated. We realize and they are educated from a system of education that maybe was, I can say, was not well thought on how to absorb and to how to channel out in the education system. Now, growing up, particularly, tachukuru goma nini uiteo andikwe kuendelea. We didn't have the alternative voice. Akwera mto owa goma udile chukuru chiande uchwanguiro ito chiande. Now, the curriculum system yongwa channel out and tutumba kwa absorb. These people when be rovera and degree and whatever, then I think one cannot understand non-teji education is what to bring out in them to have a better life. But you see, the problem is our education system, was it designing maybe with idea. It was not a well thought. It's something that we needed to change long time ago. And here I want to create the bundle. It queen amount aspects in game of because practicability education system, particularly each another skilled labor out there in the market. The skilled labor in Yumba mostly which employ or create industry, Tirumba employ and to bank. But there with the other in an education system, we don't get to Kandekwa. Okuma another one with you, and we're not going to reach then it becomes a very difficult problem. And look at our country today now, because of the same, we are in madness. When there are promises, the bundle you are not doing. Can I neither look at what is good, for example? Because of the trust deficit in as a country. No matter what you do, neither is good, neither in a result coming in future, then what you got? No one wants to listen, no one wants to understand. Because you are utongere into mumu. Na utongere lero akaba tukidora na clearly na explain vision ya very imbio. Kana mutuka ntobora utongere tie iba kumya direction ila kuitite. Then iba ukunga mkono. But kada wewe mutongere wewe na direction ye. Ntobora utongere dina wewe na different direction. Then utumba uchida mutongere. there must be unity of purpose for them without that correlation of. And that's why you see our country now is in shambles, is in chaos. We don't have a direction. Singapore, you know, in the history, I have never had any other country comparing itself with another country. I have never had who can that one the green. Kenya and Singapore. What you do, you benchmark. Benchmarking what they have done. And sometimes when you are benchmarking, whatever they did may not work. You know, benchmark one going to Singapore. Buga barabara ya Singapore ya lingatera ukinyana kinyete na Kenya bati kudingata barabara mwanyo mono. Tumba weta na copy paste manto ugaja ka work. You have to have ideas. Ila umbale, you are solving a problem that you know. Now what is it that works with us? And then whether we have even we have very fertile land and everything. Na tutena bekole. Tuwata Singapore Nigeria. Inda mingana tuaki etekenda tumbo kwedora. You know, when you solve the main issues, it will affect majority of the people. Then people will support you.
Very true.
But if you don't, then we are where we are.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Daktari, kimtazamo wako pengine utagerekana kuona yaka iliwaniro ya IBC kuwa baka antuba kuma 2012 wa ile register nyingi. Lotu bingi ekelwa ekingira antuba bengi muna mtu ukabikira Kenya bakiaria baba nyingi kuwa tactic emoya kuingira Kenya wala bengi batikeza makilinga kura ofuiti na ringo kiungo cyure kimanga cyuri atire Akenya baingira baba in case wafika babo bonde baba ingi bakuingira batira ringa kure hii. Don't you think nyawo no disadvantage maybe nyekirikare na ki on the other side kana imuchetho jokarigera?
I think iyo imuchetho yo muhimu no chope. Kwirwa antu bakuma 2012 baba ingi batin the database yo somebody na gwiri kuria how credible is that database uba inyo. No T system we with a waiting backup. Backups we even have backup offshore. Eku endingi ugether ibuku with yambati nibo mbakairwa ne other people somewhere else. Surely what kind of system baku run ugether they are not having an agenda. Na te antu bombe bombikia with abatekwo. The only thing bemba kwera Kenyans, let us not give them that excuse. Muntu wendene te kwa IBC right now aita ilele kithe arietore awerikwo. Na the good thing right now to mwanka wete IBC ya nara waringire kura. Kinya waite ni waite nya Nairobi ukauwa imbilelero ne indinge state na polling station ire kundinge state. You can register these days, you can register even for a polling station in Meru or in Nairobi. To mwanka we Meru. So ingemu serve very badly. Niyo batu no 20 tukubwethia civic education. Tobweri kwera muntu wende vote yeku niyo voice yeku. No ti muntu bweri okuingira eta kwa nini kwa IBC area kwena nende ibakuthio longa inkona baita village ibakuilelera kithari yetu ya kureko in the register. So okay ya kuona where somebody is telling you uroethe in database ya antu baku bangwe uroethe in database nya ya customers baku muntu ake ya gwira illustrate some database no bweri kumenya the entire database could be corrupted. Neke thire corrupted then corrupt anari na agenda ya kuingila antu ba na no this government is suspect of anything. Eba abwithia no katuba kinya bakabwithia ya meya no katuba era the suspect. So anonto I promises ira twerwe 2022 ite abwithia you know when you break somebody's promise and that's the first thing that we recommend. Promise ira twai siaslas na mama mbogas baketha era baina mbesa mufukoni na nende ita unkuma bonda berwa bo baketha era baina mbesa nyingi mufukoni ite unkuma nyane ndiri. So anything turero ndiri 4 years later they are suspect. So kinya anything happening ya kwithira that was not a deliberate maybe corruption of the database. somebody ariuga there is a game being played na atuende atuithire turi above the players of that game. We go back check wengwa and right now register ni ruori weto kuona whether it is there, but the game definitely is being played, very bad game. Na game ni otumanya batu yontu baende tukuwa kethia IBC ni established na tukuona it doesn't have the credibility, it hasn't met the credibility threshold. Kanara umbikio betikia ibatuira manto ya moyaya na atwetore aringi kura muringi kura orori eta aikutuokera krea kwina wowe ilela okay ya wetera we ya weta ntukwira kuringa kura wero wori etware akure tekwo. Yes.
Thank you. Mheshimiwa Mungu ndo comment na kutuja IBC na considering kuna mbelembele turare akrera wa atebata ububatringa kura. Kandi babaringa kura muno ni barakuru. Na barakuru bayi baguma twero abo choka. Na baba ingi bao ibarakinya pengine maybe ya tumwe contract kuro buto shosho na ara na tumokuru bati umenya witabekira gyara cyubo kuro biometric bati ko nyingi. Then Ricard no tell mwananchi kana what is happening?
It is very unfortunate. Sentiment issue may take a chair. IBC. Kintu ya kura mno tutite ikara kura ndio watu ndio waisho ndanga kure kwekendo enani count ndio ndio wakambia kwa suspicious ya process ile kuendelea ni resort kile kama ndio uncle mimi mkaite meawe tikile IBC itena database subsequent whatever registration.
Exactly.
That is a lie. Nanga mtu kwenda kulaunia kwanza kutesa sawa. But the point is between your Kenyans by sawa. You cannot play with them as kwamba kalanduka gwan. Na still an appeal kile ndobeto no ntoendelea hii kuna vijana barabara ya ngulu verification, identification na registration. Na wako mashine. Na ofisi ya IBC again at constituency level dealing. Ile ile ndio ndio washirika utesa sana. So kwa point. Leo ndikari kwenda kubanga kana baraba kwenda kubanga ndipo tulie. Let's clarify sawa ona sawa. Vijana wao ya mashinani itake bande ya ku angaliwa tu kwa sawa sawa. Ndio mwenye bali. Ndio kwa one time huwa wina sana.
Utua kaji. Yes. Okay, kama sijarutere ne Roma uta fuel. It's another point ile yetu kwa kigonga tu sana ya serikali yetu ya Kenya. Echu tuonere antubada tuba watu. The most senior people ba petroleum ba Kenya Port Authority na kile antubada kwa watu kuna kiori kimo kejiritea. Okay, akwithira ni mama utajani yari substandard urapo kuilwa. Then makosa ilikuwa ya nani? Because kuna watu kwa CS wa energy na batere kwa walisaidika mwaka dai. Tuonere fertilizer iko ya iko ni substandard. Ora wa CS na ngiro ngoi. And when they are thinking and they are feeling Kenya CS wa energy na batere kwa walisaidika tena mwaka dai decided because ukiakudura mauta jana na jana ndio kile mwananchi wa kawaida. Alikuwa wapi na dile yari yao noke utegera mantu jaja mantu yari tu sana the former deputy president Wengwana aliti akiwa kwamba ni deal letter wrong between na biashara na Baubangi kuna company zile hapo tete tigweta malietwa lakini wathikira kulingana na press release ramponyete oni eruga kurani na government to government
arrangement
lakini wategera no churia atiri na ta imbanya kutoka government to government na wategera company iko eto ani private na ta government imenya kubibia biashara na the company si private. That's one. Then number two agukerekana bana baba menyere mantu jazo karika beta beti mauta jo on their own. Of course bosi atakomenya. Then kwa happen what happened? Huwezi kumlemia kana ni wananchi bagiorongi tu hiyo maneno ishe because mauta na jono yote tena mbele kuitia mauta yateko wananchi no bao sapa still na ukiri kana wadani no aletia kwa mauta jani so timu tobate kwa drive panic na kwa mauta
Dine hatu niyo enda Kenya Kwanza administration ni high level ya corruption na union ni ile pinga na union ni Kenyan politics nazo baro yaba union mtu wogiri kare ni boita kure ni tumano onantu baro lite siasa baro na so mtoro aita kure ya wema
yes
atele na po so when the corruption is serious as things are it is good from the president whatever on there I mentioned this step aside for investigations but today kuna waziri concern and department
yes
and that ministry yes OPO Kinyawi habitation ya koi nyawa na bati liwe tata ko giveaway
yes
nto ori nchanje na docket kugaboza ko ina mess the best thing that you can do clear country when you break quit while in time because okay ito aliti sometimes back itare andolisi when mwirani these steps aside na baadhi ya force time waziri Lintori manzi ya fertilizer ya kwa mberia alitolewa so to be fair ya CS energy the petroleum na bati ku step aside kenda kwa kwenda gara investigation though kwenye nyama mtu yake ndio kwa gano coverage ya wamba kuonde ministry wewe kuma wenda iwani haita held accountable
yes
ndugu ya judiciary system yetu the judicial system are corrupt
yes
yani Kenya everywhere
it's corrupt
when ambia
mwenene
you are
untouchable
your way out of problems ila shunda kujifa so Sarotian society in terms of government judiciary in the parliament not to know that the main arms of the government
yes
so the moment every arm is corrupt bado tukia wabinene tu ya Kenya so no titu asafari pains
yes
sema zoea ukaigamba mungala mwana tu we comment the president but that is not enough Kenya waziri na PS you can give way
yes
and then investigation and then I go to that is my take
okay thank you wakili your take on that no kibi kana mandudara the former DP areti arua biashara era between the boss of Kenya na the other country from Middle East or something. Do you agree with that? Not arua and buy sacrificial lambs. Kapa iterogongwana.
Thank you, Cheupe. You know, our country is rotten to the core. Na wametegera kimantu jau kwa lilo case kandwele. To me, I don't believe that there's a scandal. It's just a conspiracy deal. Mtu mwambele ndoye kwambia between Israel and Iran. Kwambia mchef Trump akiuga omtajatiura.
Yes.
Ya binaf nini. Tokarakara wala basande ni scandal kumera. Bando the sector maguta. Eto kama ya maguta otujoja maguta nyeri petrol station umemero dai batena jo. Patena maguta.
As we are talking.
Then to me ile show bo tulingira batu ya Kenya. Abuli orongo go bwinge mono. Ondiba ko ele complain. Ande maguta jo ma crisis ya maguta ya umma. Bakwegera kugenda bakagerera uwe wumbi mbrem na mbi kuida meba mnyele kwa ile mwananchi wa kawaida ande bocho ina bremwege kiro nonto nukulikana Kenya President Ruto agi campaign 2022 ya ndo Ukraine na mbie kumera maguta jitia kaire na ugire a campaign na mono akiuga hawa ndio hawezi panga vitu. Mimi hata kama hiyo vita iko najua nitafanya namna hii ndio, lakini ande akuelewa another scenario where the war between Israel, US na Iran, the Gulf of the nini ana makuta ya kuruka Iran, makuta ya tio kuruka. There is a crisis looming in our country, and a very big one. Sarakasi hiyo wanachonde ala hii it's a blame game. Chako kenda ba mai no ba kam blame kenda ba ti absorb from the blame. Onto batomba kuendwa etometa no to gire bono nyandwa enderetere Ukraine na nini no bakomba kubanga ndiko. Aindo yange kumera. So whatever they are doing is a case. Chako absorb themselves kana kugera kukumbaza mwananchi wa kawaida. The crisis here fueli eja and because it's already here with us. And I would wake kwena blame game angano ta bibia anga whatever. To me nya driver wantuja mashimela chewa kwa reja kuanga deal ya biashara na that may be true or not. But the bigger picture here what I see in the crisis that is coming, niona andeba ko create a political arena. And blame game kanda kutweka. They are not the president na them bila kuwa ndio gutao ndio kudibia anga what ande tiambange ora na the crisis here jira no tubantu bana mbutete wala he himself he knows where the problem lies. So tutikana sarakasi ya mantu jara no to and bana bali ba polisi ni bagara ngabatiti sai nanga what you know you can see the whole game if you are keen enough for corner Michelo.
Okay.
Yes.
Daktari tukijagiwa mantujanya mbere mantuja zomira ndene kile ngazeti ya I think on Tuesday if I'm not wrong. Mbere bikari jambirie after tukuru mauta je yose angani. On Tuesday bambiri kuringi mauta ya kuraura then verwa mauta ya itebeti kenda still nyakwa tuika kuna shorting mauta ya tega itimbecha.
Na turi ya levy.
Yes. Tukara kidogo ndio ile sasa skando imechokelezea ya mauta na ndiza teko ngani. Na hapo president na radio wa I will make sure kontakatez bondi baraba kuleta tena kile mantije mauta. Lakini wategera yobo abo shudi tena ko umete ibokuwa uwita samwa waga mauta. So
petrol station ile actually
in Meru.
Mbeyete wa.
Na timeru akende. Then uhakarando achuli atire ukiyakuna mauta ya namba 1 is anaweza kongana. Nyoga za kuyangi yajirira na murango nyuma ya wito substandard. Then na tija ko affect mauta ko ya urite ki wa Kenya no tukethro yara je story ya yajirira minya utebi yara affect yara je na Kenya betro betumira. Then India no kwa kuendelea because na kulitrwa levy tio de na binambi na mantujisho betone tena duare tukoroka tena na bakaru wa kwa mauta. On the other side tukuboka tena sisi wametoka side gani? What do you think mwananchi wa kawaida na hata bateriko vile because ukendra bwitedro muchedo jwa psychology muri wananchi ni atongerio bara kuikite na hatu isi babotevi na bele baba botetra ya dai ndio kukulikana kuna ni baba bateriko ndro bekite misha situation possible for make sure antu batera amount lakini kuna mantu kutikia mlio utaona what do you think will happen?
Boya sana mbere kambue cause ya yayo ndo kuona tueta through is corruption. Oya buramo esmiwa ale wire. Corruption we have never addressed kana tuya with a framework ya kurwa na corruption. Na this government iteethira ina clear indication na ta corruption itite kwetata kurwa mindare asimio. No, I was also even in the BBI, the CEO of the National BBI Secretariat. Kurato wete the only thing we can make sure mtura wandi na ukinyeloi resources is if we fight corruption. Na tuare very clear measures of how to fight corruption. Government yekweya iteegire with a single measure of how to fight corruption. So corruption became now systematic everybody, every angle of the government, no mwanka withire ukiruta something. And what that corruption does, kethaire in a very selfish interest. Ikire antu. Ukiona nende kithe aturirwa this arrangement ye yari kwithira G to G arrangement. But basically nende ni antu ba biashara bakwithirwa bakuruta ngwe nambi na thirikari. Na ba fix price ikethira enio to atua kureakia. Nao kukia kwithirwa kwenda cushion the mwananchi. Kinya prices ikia withia nonto bwandwa ya Iran na Israel na America. What boba bweri kuruta the levy. That fuel levy. Na bakaruta VAT. Mauta ya itate ya kenama. Maundura wandha ke ya kuona yinyende mauta yetre yenamire. Bati kwa da kwena other clever guys nonto twinde atushindana nonto bwakuia menya mwamba ateta iya uoronga tia. Uri yongo nginwe na kuona na ate nani nkaiya more than urora ire. So na baba na bwende na tukuona ni cia we yo cushion antu betu ina twinya twikire imubukone ndu twikushona ambi antu arrangement ire kia eveso ira ya umire na Middle East yetete na yetete enda ibato ya Kenya kenda mauta yetu substandard kiuria kiratu bwiri kuria bumenya ni game ucetherwa antu betu buburi na ata mauta uyu yeire na yendwa completely yonde yathira nindi twamenya nindi yaikwendwa yathira ayara kithe yare ori yara yangi nayo ya ekistoto era wa mauta ya yori kayetire ku na yari. So this is all a game of business which has gone sour. Antu barabariro ibawati kiuria kiramburi nyande as a common person. Buri antu bakabarisa na ira bobonde kabarisa ine kabafairwe kabarisa inire betikaniririe basaine barisa ine bonde bainchera mwanya nontu batari nchere emwe omuntu ari ya wara uandi sign ungera uandi sign na bonde barisa ine on the same time bawa tukuri sign. So some things itobwiri kumenyenya Kenya nziba kudhoania tukirwa antu baba design dinende tukuri sign turie what is the issue obo wakili akuwa kwingi mushethwa. But the game where oshethwa mainly itumenya an individual was shortchanged. The benefit ire expected tia we expect. Beje ikethe ikunia. Nonto wa this we have appetite in besa more than I don't know kithe antu aba kuona kaba kamata bete ashie uru. I don't know what will happen. Okay ya kuona line ira ni kwa affected by somebody else. You do anything. So kaba very clear. But what is happening. Then I want also to join that otibo bwethabo ina CS wenga babangi bonde na that is the ministry which was responsible but you so are these people being sacrificed kenda tutwa kwira waindengire katero ira ciaro indengirwe katero tucionete nyingi itengwa nyari twerwe katero cia mira ikwingwa itengwa katero cia mayani cia kaua nenditi kwe ya kateo cia mauta. And then I think at the end of the day antu baiba bweri kuria surely batu twindeka bona katwamyo tukatwa kwira worongo yabu. So Kenyans, let us know this is another game. Game wembe to zetherwa by the people who are supposed to lead us. And it is not going to stop here. No ntuiba kwenda oturongoia tukerwa tukubwithiruona na mbeza iteo kaika umagu toka buka ugerwa mbeza na mbeza ino cyo tukea kunengerwa renge tutumithwe laini tukinengairwa kenda tubashokia. So gatwithire twino ume twithire tukimenya that whatever is coming it is meant to blindfold us kenda tutona what is happening.
Kwa sana mtengeni wa Meru TV na mdhikiri wa Dira FM tukenda tukizukia kambrik akanini kuchokerete kagita katika kwa kwamba kwa tumara kwa mitambo ne lakini vikani nkure utanambira kwa gitumira SMS yetu kile nabi ndene screen yeku SMS na mwenda kutoka Facebook mtire SMS yeku kile Meru TV Kenya kana kutoka YouTube Meru TV Kenya bila shaka angeno kimi watu wanatachokera kwamba kwa tumara kwa mitambo ne.
ing'inang'inene kia mutindo kangangi kuri kongo kamechemo kuborera na uthongi gankugwate ugeni aja Bezalel Hotel Meru turigi kumene barabarene ya Meru Nkobo Nairobi Highway. Bezalel Hotel Meru neju muchijwa kuruka mirire na kuthuranira michemanio kenera nyomba chieto na mareija kuguna mukoju waku tigiera no gochema bia kuria bire na shama kumariko nerietu na bithuraniri na utiabo kinande kuthuranira michemanio kana corporate event modern conference chietu ni gukinyaniria kiwango kiria ukwenda nkoroki turi na free wifi parking ya kung'ana na irina ukaria gonto gwa kuthuranira biatho na bingi kathumba kumenya mantu nkoroki turingire thimo gukurukira 0794 680 166. Bezalel Hotel Meru, the epitome of comfort. Ngagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nande kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni undu bwaku nande no uchiandikithie no gatwika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ippms.orpp.or.ke kiama kia nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja.
Awole tiga gutinda kuigwatia thina ni gitarire ukaigurira bikibiki na koguri kanini na gutiange ni ndene mutindo jwa kangangi aria kwijikene ja kwa Ismail Aribi aja ujo kwa Ivan wakinya mutindo jwa kangangi inamania na kijara kia Moi weje ogure bikibiki muthemba jo mwega jura jwijikana ja haujue ona kethro no kwenda muthemba jwa tuktuk tegera ure gwita tegera ure thongi nio eu na bikibiki cietu cina warrant na koguri ni kanini kiria gikwendekana kibande KRA pin na garanta umwe weje na deposit kanini ugachiana na bikibiki o au twina bikibiki imwe itenyunya mauta inge na cio kainunkaira mariga ni ati spare twina cia kung'ana na ni bikibiki cia kinande iria ciumba kwithirwa cigikamata mirigo bwega turingira thimo ni kendo komba kuigwatira namba cietu cia thimo nicio iji ciandikia ukioni-ini giaku etagwo Ifan.
Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kozi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza weledi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa weledi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani, Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo, ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
na itite na mbere na rori rwetu nikienda tukamenya maoni yaku kinya we ni yariko na kwa hivyo atugite na mbere kwa haraka kabisa nikienda tucoka miri ndo bitha twaki kienda tucoka ruterera miri no tuwa time kwina tendency ithi ya governors kwithira bakiwa batikinya kiri kamiti imwe ya senate imantu jethiritwe kinya yo yaretete thina sana na imantu jethiritwe antu baingi batikwereho imbi na kuendelea lakini kulingana na magavana batu bawitwa atikumenya bamwitate abawitwa mbeta kienda bakaba maybe mantu jara bathithite on the other side senate nabo ibethirite bakiwa gavana batikwenda kwa accountable mwakimbi for example mbonete Charagi akiaria kaua ya kwamba ukiawita Lutero in fact ilikuwa hata kwa gazeti si eti hata ni yeye anasema ilikuwa hata kwa gazeti arua gavana wa Vihiga athithiti housewarming ya governor's residence na 5 million na hata kunimbia urite na beti huyu atikwenda kuona ndi kwa tukatenda kuyake kamiti ndo atikwenda kuchoki biro menya biro oya Lutero Bungoma gavana atumite 3.6 million kwa Christmas tree last year December. Christmas tree 3.6 million hiyo imekufa tu hivyo. Then waja Lutero Mandela gavana kona aurete seedlings 55 million. Konto dry. Teka kwithira kwini nyaru jira kwana ya line kwenda gitete kwana. So ukwategera kona imbibi priority nimbi ikweza na mbeo kire antu batene rwiro kwana kana gutwira antu baroi maybe balls kana dams ka anything else ira yumbo batete kenda bomba kwithira baki anda interview kuba at the same time kesi onjiweze ukaibwa every financial year governors bonde ba county 47 bari ronga bana akarita 5 million ni legal fee ya registration to every financial year ngabana arita 5 million na so benda kuruwa biuri no tutomba kuthoma chiombe no to time kwa tweka narikana our neighbor governor Embu na tumirite 10 million kwa reflector jacket sianto babikibiki na imbeza sian development so kwa tweka governor bana ndeva kiro izoni for account for this money that you have been using kema tujateo then ukaibwa governor na bakuwa bateta no tugawitwa mbeza frankly speaking mwananchi wa kawaida atiko menina hau na bori lakini bore atongeri babo maybe no bwithira bwina clue ya nuriko okuruo ngine mtu kuna mtu anakuku mwingine hapa sasa nani anapika mwingine
atwe thinere Kenya was okay the inventors were devolution bari na very good idea. Bari na very brilliant idea could of resources at the grassroots. Danger thing is that Kenya na culture area corruption ura yengi. Ato enamirie corruption at the grassroots. Muno kiantu kwa wito governance. It is painful unto every electioneering period. Ni antu tukwa the millionaires in the name 80. Baraba kolomere badwanire mantu yuko kibari na an idea of the way USA is run. But ile state ina capacity na mantu amanji. Then counties inyi to inashow. Kenya sustain in terms of own source revenue is a problem. Na bila bikuonekana vitena system ile align on how vyomba kwa collected and accountability. One problem was that. So around here I feel so sad and what we devolved was corruption. Or create an hierarchy of kingsmen parabena wealth. So the Senate. Okay, the drafters rengi bari na good idea. But mtoba drafter yanwe but I understanding emanto ya kari. So like Senate ya Kenya. Okay, we announce that wimbo now thing we could in the Senate. But I need to create a group of people but ya mishara by comfortable no tungo whether any oversight the county government where assembly in the first place.
Exactly.
But to in a committee ya PAC. Manjo kwa na yonde ya gendo nara. Tureta in the assembly. And those people come about you answer questions or everything. Now we make our recommendations. So barana bono onto ba iki somewhere pa ono ba koroma by the same report. So the same report already chairman of committee. Chairman you're in charge of that committee arangavaneti. Bamuringa era bakambirio mu prepare in time. Committee ba kwa ni antu like 16. You know 1.6 for the committee members. Okay. So Senate era nyonyo mbabru. Yo kora. Antu kuma kora atedi mu Kenya ki senators. Antu bau anganora bati in the fund. But they are terrible.
So all
they are terrible. They are terrible.
It's true. Like ina tuone tevengana gavana wa Samburu.
Yeah, okay, drawing governor we to view it interview kama una. By there on the camera aba corona ora go kimbat. The real sense and the table transactions ira biditera duru. So Senate we have a problem. Na kwa president ya Ritia kawa the two houses when not the Senate.
Yes.
Remember the case of the governor of Isiolo. Manto yari on the table, but he went behind our almost 30 senators. Yes. Now 1 million. Nabona is sent, but we are living testimony with the MCA and Deputy Speaker County Assembly of Meru. I'm a living testimony. To face these people, literally in a series of impeachment. The first one, money playing the card. The second one, money again playing the card. The third one. And those people were able and give us money. It told me there are mistakes there. You've cited what you've cited, but
give us money.
Give us money. So that's how terrible that Senate is.
It's very unfortunate.
Nah, I don't know about every Kenyan on to just terrible.
So it means kinyoke wina makosa, ya uokora wina makosa, provided uko na pesa, you are good to go.
Wale watu, ile nyumba ya kuulia kanyamutu, kubaula shekutu. So nyanga gavana, ini gavana ora wetagu. Lazima wete na kintu ke committee. It is very unfortunate. It is very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate.
He has been asked. Yeah, so that means baroko na bakiro na ulifanya hivi because ina gavana wa Tharaka Nithi County netite kuna atoka na ya ura kara so do that ego ndone bakiwe candidate 150 million to his wife aomba kuthwe supply something of which haikuwa supplied, but the 150 million is gone. So it means then if you don't have money akana kurega kubanengera beti ile bakwanda kuna makosa. You are judged.
Both of them by na makosa. Yes, I agree. For me, kuigwa that ibe taki actually bese when it is true. That you can rot in a show, you cannot wait now. Kinya where there win evidence. Kinya where there win a very tangible evidence. It is not going to be taken until or reimburse you. But at the same time, ndenda kuwa mantu ya kinyete anondo antu bautu ikirite bedira bari in charge ya devolved the units, the counties. They don't have the capacity. But in a capacity to manage the resources irabanenkeri. No ndongethe and in a capacity nangethe I know my records are very clear. Bambetia nande nambuwe independent audit ne wethwe. Within them bawe bedre done everything above the board. So kidhia yes.
Na huyu wa Lelit wa Samburu kinyano uronera arara. Then does it mean kinyanga banas batina powers to kudura bakiti ariria?
No, it means that if you on the wrong okay ya kumenya kwiyoka watirwa niyo ukaruta mbesa ira. But okay ya kumenya there is somewhere where I have done everything according, even if auditors come from where or anywhere. Bailele my books, I have done what I should have done. There has been transparency, there has been integrity, the procurement process, because the union baina dena misusing of the funds, with the association development, itumira for the recurrence expenses. I have done everything. Then utina biokira. But okay, whether now even in what happens, you have no clue of what happens in your county. Biwi ya kirero kanenkerwa mbeza cia wita kura sindilings kanari urenda mbeza cia kweta kubwithia housewarming unenkerwe baba kamberi orende ogwira twina thina no barati wa county level bakwire kinya wita at the national level kwa senate umenye twina thina fulani so wetu mbeza etatia unenkanire. So both of them are one group has been created by the incompetence of the others. No ndoke the senate iraka yari nantu very competent but umba kuban bundos, but no do they hand incompetence people at the county level. They exploited that opportunity which is there. So Wonimbua, the devolution was the best thing that happened. But unfortunately, we put incompetent people to manage the resources. And once you have those people there, muntu taidra any experience or any history of managing resources and making the resources grow. No kumenyonto anariri about why the American system works. They make money in their own county. Why? I mean, in their own states. Yondoendo eta California. California runs its own economy because they grow the money. Whoever comes there as the governor knows I'm going to grow the economy of this particular state. Na atu itete osindana nuri kukona nianarire more than the other one. So tikumea kithia we will ever have a way of reviewing the constitution tuone kithia ikobwiri kwithira kwina proper requirement or prerequisite for somebody being a governor. No tukethira then ukethira okebwethi everything barana baba bakwenda kuia batona kuira no ntumbi you have not given them any loopholes. Yes.
Unfortunately, now what is happening after the devolution? Our county is supposed to operate. The county operates it's completely a different thing. It's as if young governors in these counties to operate. Now to the land counties, as if it's their own personal property. Where the procurement officer, where the accountant, where anything that works in the county, everything. And then they have a way of now micromanaging everything. And that's how corruption became very rampant. If they can let the structures that are set at the county level to operate, but you can the structures that you get to with and then to the other experience what you are experiencing. Like now as we speak, Governor Noe about the county into care. I think that any procedures that she said.
Why now they are there? The county assembly is there.
Wako in the governor no accounting officer.
No. Kada no kuga, for example, contractor yoka ya ngeno. Procurement officer ole ala. Atina ine si. Wako na ngiriristi ole chongo ina kwendo wa. Bale iche itangu.
Na percentage.
No, the procurement process is very clear. No procurement should be done of any government process. But now I can do between the company tender already so there's no competitiveness in the tendering process. Now, no to man, you on to account professionally. You're going to now find ourselves in a very big hole. Well, and this Senate no job, Dr. Akuga, but take advantage. And the bar, cash cow. Wako meanuete, and never want to share, get a thing about the biggest problem we have as a country. Onbuga, sometimes in Kenya, we are all corrupt. I'm not corrupt, I'm going to get the opportunity to go corrupt.
I'm not corrupt.
No,
and I haven't missed the opportunity. I've refused.
No.
I've refused. I've refused.
But most of the Kenyans,
systematic umakinya bwatwo guraira inya mwarimu kiewa mwana entete school wakawa I need to take a cake to my teacher nenyo orendo wamberio muonia mbere wonwe ne favor no mwanka withire orite mwana ora kwa murire inya kiuria ngui. So the corruption we have put it in our system. Sorry, Paul.
No, it's okay. But what I was saying, I was not referring to a specific person. That culture that we have, that we normalize corruption. In our system, that even when you are doing it, sometimes you take one as if you are doing the wrong thing. Because I acknowledge a culture, which is very wrong. Now, because anto baitana ndenya dawo service yokwenda kada mtu nokumbura chai ngugera abati wita kada nawa to inculcate culture bora na chai mtu ya mchare ene nda bora chai nani zatu tuga corruption ndio me chai yokubora
chai wa ujama mwashimba kukende kwa kwenda wake kidogo because now we did a commitment kwa kai double work. Because when I say people in the county assembly, are you guys have the mandate? Like, so for example, with a governor for question, maybe governor do you recommend maybe the actions to be taken against the governor? Ama lazima someone to report the yende kwa Senate, you know what action or what happens?
Okay, the county assembly they empowered oversight. The executive that is under the county and the county level. Twin committees in the assembly, various select and sectoral committees. So anytime that we call in a team, their story, the moment we realize going issues, they come, they give us their version, we hear, we interrogate, to errors. So the moment there are errors now, we summon the people in charge. That is the CCM in charge of a department, and the chief officer. They can give out their story. But what we normally do, the kwina department ya Auditor General, which is countrywide. So regional headquarters is in Embu. So if one does fight the Auditor General, they take the matter. So Auditor General, what they should do, in case back on there is a mistake about the officer ODPP, back recommend. And we can recommend, and we do the recommendations that are necessary. So duplication of power was brought by our constitution. Wakili area. I don't remember the article, but there is an article, either Article 30 of the Constitution, that empowers, that a parliament has powers to summon any person of interest, any. So Senate is a parliament. So they have the powers to summon the governors. And the governor must appear there, Nakaya and evidence. Failure to which, again, no force will appear there. Either through the police, ODPP, or even the courts. So, katiba wetu, the way daktari akuwa. Okay, the drafters, barina na idea no nto bara to umite. Na kuyo to umite as a country. So, baraba alwaniri about the new constitution about. Majority of them are in exposure at the Western world, more so the US system governance, a part of UK. So those ideas IKEA apply at our systems here in Kenya to take it away. So team manto corruption and vices here there is only challenge we have. Na governors the amount of money they are controlling is massive. So you can get only PPM. Maybe something. This governor will just go there in person. Can have it around there. The story in a Kanyangu or two in Asia. So it's a crisis we have. It's a crisis.
I cannot see it. Okay, thank you so much. Kama kaunti ya Meru kidogo tu ndio kwa kisoko. Kuna majengo ya wanda kwa Kenya na for the first time tonado kiliwetu ba presidentiamo by United kwa na kayuka mwe kana na mwamba jumwe wanda kakuna na kila kwa kwenda ni it's either operation ifanyike ama hakuna mambo ya tuta. I don't know if babu no tivo no wait and crowd didn't know kuibora kwa kuwa is it effective in operation endelea vizuri.
No. First of all, and no kwera kera country la no issue. Kenda ona wageja no tomato mire. Kioni when I looked at it from the plant.
Okay.
Manto.
Ni kona the police va deployed na venda na va.
Mas now voy na tomato nalo. Kenda uti kama huko next week to one operation ile operation ile yeye tigete some parts kwamba mtawala Kenya Gazette wakarakara wakaitengea kuongera you know if it's an operation that was well thought I will succeed it kwenda show cha ku did the press conference ilienda well thought na ina analysis cha where the problem is can don't be solved. But the political declaration and then action and busy money. To me, that's a show na operation area it will fail. The reason I swear it will fail, first of all, it well thought of. Secondly, is government knows where we are going to be.
Why do you think they know?
Why do we have intelligence? The government has intelligence mechanism. This thing has gone over for years and years and years.
Yes.
You cannot tell me we have a government that does not know what happens. Unless it's part of it. And that's why it's not stopping. Governors and Senate, they know everything, but whatever they bring out to the public, issue our peace money. So let the government take appropriate action ya kuregeria ng'ombe chetu na wale bachiwa. Sure, hiyo ingia kwa the Gazette notice na press conferences as you want to see derivative action yakiendeleaga tisho kwa toa mambele itakuwa na wale tutitaji the press conferences ila tutakutabakia ya mantoja na bakiona ni ya united as readers. So
part of maybe serikali process.
No, let the government take action. This thing is not new, has been going for a very long time. The government knows when we turn their share and whatever. Let them take appropriate action to end that thing once and for all. Now, without back and forth, whatever we are seeing.
Okay. Mheshimiwa na in fact kinyani ni yekwambiria operation yekwambiria like that day.
Yes.
Na kinyaro inene tugitukore atubakwite.
Yes.
On Monday kuna mtu ongea thimo ndio na kibira ruterero mea utuko turatonyerero ni amba baba mifugo ngikuru cia raped twana na ng'ombe chieta. Operation ni kuendelea that time. So kiurikira mwananchi hapo chiure ni kina utantu baendelea kuizira ng'ombe na itone thirikari ba kana police were deployed but still antu wamba pamoja kana namba nanto no baukua at the same time. Yeah.
It is a very emotive issue for me. No ndo baba kura wa imbaichi na inkumenya aba umete. But tuamberie na kuo kumara tuamberie kuwa teka Kenyans kana miru ka boy kwa riba complaini bedaraje they just complain for nothing. Niko pushwa mwanka bwa unkumwa thinene mwanka bukaria buko wendi tukudrenda. Manto security is the responsibility of the government. Muntu wende na bwiri kwethira secure. Property yakwa ne bwiri kwethira secure, maisha yakwa ya bwiri kwethira secure. But the government has failed miserably. No ntutemerwa akantu bakurawa. Antu bakurawa everywhere there is insecurity. Ukoria niti onto kwethira kwina that high insecurity. Kema antu angambe kambue bwambere. Ng'ambe iracia wa itiona wa chura ikaura antu bakaura wa ekuru baka raped tuhana tukaura wa akuru nabo bakayugeire itiarike bakachitithia kwithitha kiri antu bo batiwa akuru batiwa nao ekuru balaikumkum. That's in Igembe Central. Bandingirite last week bambira nonto indari nonke baya mungao yakwanda bambira ntitwandire mungao na iyo umire bati tutiremira nonto tukirima itukuona those bandits baubeyo baura bakarin barwami bariremene abailele beterete utuko bokinya bakandisend on them so batirara nyumba chio bararaku kithakene nana na itukwirwa kwino operation iri kaba ekuru babo bona na ndibo baba kubwithi operation batikone. Second ng'ambe ireta chieta within 30 minutes they have vanished. Na te chiekairwo mubukono wo wikira mubukono iurira mubukone. Ukoria ina ng'ambe ira chietire. Ondo zambonde ataurakia koria ng'ambe ina ataciura kinyoka thiatira itonwa. Second kwina baraba kwirwa ibo bakubwithi operation ira iba ucia metho actually ikabenya bagethenya batio no ndu bachia ya metho na yakuluka na ikaura ciaura no kumendere bakeyo bwire ndi atwite tukathiatire by the time buku thiatira they are nowhere to be found anto yaurairo eoro indirari mathikone ya sambondo kuma lanyiru aurai tukithika mndu twerwa then sambondo cia kura wa maburwa then operation it is going on. Na baraiba ndikiliere that now tukeya kwithira batu tutikwa secure ndi tuka one time. Kitheiba kwa one time iba eruari. Bonde iba ukire bagiwa by one time kithe anyo ya tutethia. Uketha one time ya turetera security twithe tuka one time. Uketha tu are ready to do anything. Antu betu bariwa bari ya baba kwiyoba ura bari ya ba na those M16s. Ini ukira tha imwe ra the imwe gathiria batano once na atu beto banenkeri yonge betha kia kukuchia wakuchia waetera yuka wata monki kawata monki bura iro kenda ke choka ringi eta wandi. So I'm saying there is serious problem we have to address. Question number 1 ito bweri kuria ng'ambe kuiwa, is this the idea ya kuia ng'ambe or there is another agenda? When a lot of theories, a lot of rumors. No ntuanto bongo ibagua bote wa ng'ambe bo. Kwe binge biengani abia kethe imiunde tu kwenda kuyugua ikethe iland no ntulandi etena taito muntu akeyaka abuke ngwari abwingirwa nwa unkuma kwa ya taito wakairiira ke ya nao ukerwa this is my land uwa weta koti eyukagia itare ana kusoti land kezi ya land mwanka wakwa oisota mini wao antu baraiba unkumireko. So itobwiri kwethira twina 3 solutions. Ida batu tukarete ndondo itwarete tukogwa kithe imira yo tikumamira ini atura muntu aeta kutwirwa murai weta kurethia ito twire nya twarethi beto mira ire komba kurethia. If that is the way it has reached toka tukashwa nya tubya kurethia kenda ng'ombe cietu na tuitaiwa. Second ikobwiri gwethira kwina clear boundary antu baba gwe kurethia ng'ambe rutererwa miru no ntube ya kurethia rutere rwetu beki ya tobo pakethe abakimenya na ata gwita rira gukaiwa betha ira bari nthi twithe kwina clear boundary ng'ambe chuike ya wetu hatu cietu iteta kwao kwethira ni wotu aka kana itrench tukenja na twithire twina security. That is the only way. Batirabo kwithira bwina arithi bakuya kurethia kwenu ibaichenkana thenu ni bibi ekuo be ya beyirite no ntu bate yabeyite kabe yabeyirite no ntu ibamenya imbibi ekuo. So that is the second thing otiwe tuona awati wakili urona muntu wiketwe koti akira waing'ambe ire urona wati aitairwa muntu uraibo bayire kabaiya bakabanishi otiowe no mwe imagine na atira itwairwa. Second ntathiria chupe ngwa ntigwirire personal ndwe kwa personal na thirikari now second uraigwa muntu compensated ng'ambe icio urana ikaura completely. So one thing is let those who have been caught na baba kwatwa by subjected to the law. Ikwethe kwina justice ya ntu betu mwere yomwe yukwete. Second title miundo une ayanwe title. So 3 things: compensation, justice for those who are accused, and the title for our lands. Yeah.
Operation ni ambiririo kiwa kwa it's not enough na kinya county government kuivuo yumba kuthithia ku make sure kinya yono tethereke mathia ya security. Now that wewe ni mheshimiwa deputy speaker, what do you think county government should do kinya yo kenda kutigira antu by protected?
Thank you. Katwe issue ya budgetary and unfortunate kwa the time at this stage. Na we want the Akwa is one of the affected ones, yes. The one that I represent. So it is painful. These are stories that are real. Together, take what me amanto ya wetate yokareka. So manto yokareka. Number 1, with the operation iriku. That was a lie. No doing a statement. There's nothing happening. No to kendo iriku. Tungekuwa tunajua. There's nothing that is happening. Ituone governor wa Samburu aturari arrogantly. Yes. No, what the Samburu government is doing, about fund verdicts, about machines kuira nto betongombe national. It is a challenge we have, na ndito ireku for some time. So ikuria ntaira number 1. Gwethirikari tuici ni ukaria antu maisha antu na into biantu. So thirikari kia ko fail. It means antu ibaikaria. Antu biatatia baikaria. No ntu that is the thought I have in my mind. No ntu mtutu kuya antu ni antu very few. But again antu inji like 5, 10 waeka bako some Turkanas around hapo kwa mpaka yani nabo. So kinyanto beto at some point abakakarenja enough baikarie ndo dirikari bukwere bukarie itirendi. There is no way you can sit down and to be babu inge mundene no bare dia na bo chenu ni ko yaikaiwa bo ba bare dite ko ite kuiwa kamera shire de kudio lonka ku so Nyameru moe ke kuria torira throughout like we inko dwania area kwa Kaibanga na Kaibanga na ibunke ebia na ngetatia Kaibanga no tiwa kumanjia wote twambiriria. Number 2, the incitement. There's nothing like incitement. I represent the people. Yes. Right? That is my work. We're number 1, it is the biggest under our constitution, the representation. Yes. So I represent the people. So I'm their voice. Yes. So I'll speak for them. And as a leader, get an extra mile. I ensure that our people are safe. Na uto akinya ndo dirigari niwe kwenda 22 itogirwe the engagement operation nga wapi lakini ile fallacy ojegi ntoke kuendelea na operation cheat anybody kwa operation ikuendelea. That was a lie or camouflage. But coming to think of it ndo baba kuya ngombe shetu za Samburu and Turkana the Kamatusa system sipopo tuiga. But dirikari ne diria wamba ngombe Kapendo. Yes. Suguta Marma. Yes. West Pokot. Na Marakwet na Baringo. Why is it so hard for the same government? Yes. Ediria ndoe Meru na nyetereni chetu taithogira cia Suguta Marma. Suguta Marma na Kapendo na rivalize kariu. At least cia terrain ukudalio kona iko flat. Yes. So it is not very hard. Nduga dore na mandumuru kalwele those areas, Bataro, those areas, Mariara now. Place very flat. So number 2, kwa Mtwawaso Trading Company. Unwe dhinenya wamba ngombe. Mokora. Nduga tere ashia githaka. Almost 38,000 acres of land. So good thing the county government of Meru netere 14 neshinda that case. So the guy is after the county with the out of court settlement. But ngombe ili yoi kumugithagene kiu yake. Mtu amechimba maji, amefanya, it is a garden place. Is a certain Somali, but he is protected by Duale. Ntu mehali ne tunura tukulea gwira unto the truth. Na Duale mwezi nenye wambapo ngombe kuendele. And the moment wantubeto tuwatura tumuire kwanza Waso. Huyo mtu wa Waso lazima watoke. Ntu we hear it's a group of tycoons living in US. Nweba utumira bake abakairi idaka. Na kidaka kiuki Meru. So we fight for that again. Now we appreciate effort ira ngavana aramekire nontu at least aitwe na around 55,000 titles. Kumea kwa office within a span of time. Nambete kushumia. Na county government ya Ukumira. At least we are in a position to have 55,000 title deeds. But ituandela mwerishi endele kuya. Kenda tuwata idaka bietu. That is point blank. No te ko elenkana ringe gwera county government of Meru ritete ni ko venari enforcement officers aba NPR. Yes. Then NPR ibedara baipu dirikari ekero area half of the money county area half na ko sustain arabomba koria ringe we appreciate the effort of the governor. Nontuna yanile na dindi na raya ni land cruiser 3 ko Malayan ko Ndumuru na ko ira retro tigania somewhere. So we appreciate bravo eti. But NPR babe tube yaba tureno imbiva kudano. Bakudano machine bomba ko contain. Enemies brabe na biu. That is the teacher. Again, it was in the national government. Then we push our members of parliament. We need security runs in that area. And that's another problem we have. Mantuane watu kuko shinda. Inyo witire nabo karingadhimu uwezi pata mtu. So those are some of the challenges. Itadirikari ukedro is sincere ni kwendo tethia ibatiri ukore. like the Dangerling, along that northern grazing zone. Kuna more than 25 fully formed functional police stations. Mainnya GSU. We have a problem untuk askari boba tuere kuba more than 15 years. Sheria yongo kuibwe kuwa more so in police. Release of category in a station 3 years. The moment to career 15 years, Unto Chalule has been there for 15 years. Ingwe career ta. Ina aginyere monka amure ibyo ngombe. Mama tuyayara tu batirigwera na 3 years kwanza mwankene yu enda kwenu kanjipange. Kana wite pungi ukariye kenda tudoro tuina fresh teams kenda mea anto beria naba kamenyaneria. Baba ka kora nuntu ngombe mwere kuyo. Ngombe mwere kuyo we hear that nikoro kale mno. So badik jura are twera ita wiye ngombe. Askarura o monkene au agero akaya wangirishi yake. Oroko ya ngombe ciana akaya wandi nya 100,000. Toka itigeria. Kinya collusion yantu betu bamwe and these people. Na yantu baba NPR bamwe bari kumabira kwa koloni around 5,000. Anofa yeye ndani ngombe 20 nkudhani ngiri manele. So it's a rotten system.
Yeah.
But there was an idea ya kubwithia Nyambene Community Conservancy. Minus politics. Siakora barabu kuyevi ngombe. Nto barabaru yana conservancy and very few. The tycoons baraba teke itaganara. Uyakirine wa monkarwari. Bishe bua conservancy is the best thing. Kienda nto betu bomba kulima. Conservancy batiri gwitho at the boundary. Boundary ya Isiolo, Meru.
Yes.
Na kuina conservancy kinya tukauria a private investor bonkai conservancy. A private investor aliseke the remba na those people that side. A problem no ntuko na kora baraba kurona kintu kino ya badat. So Nantubero a conservancy nabi utebi na bibi ushuna.
I think I'm okay.
So
now without a bad. Kira ungu teoria desio de biology that number one they get I had an interview with Mheshimiwa Mburaburi na they wakiwa iba kumenya kinyara ngombe chitonyera na ama kinyara ngombe chita iba kumenya.
So
but the problem is antoba hukuma udongwa the specific place ara ngombe chitonyera na nyo polisi kwigirao no tugonga pomboto no mwana nchoka ida pomboto nari kiriki kenya ibegire batutonya na ibaderi
babwire kwera
ni hapa na kale. Number 2 tuwekeza for example ni gavana wa Samburu kwa nini tikidwe kwawe na power sikari over there gavana kutuika gavana kwa kutikidwe operation na serikali ya kile kama huo kwa kutikidwe operation
na ino igurira
Number 3, mheshimiwa tumeelekea kuonete ng'ombe cia wakiara although watu walikuwa wameongea trailer mbili zimeshikwa pale na kuelekana after like msukumano wao wa 2-3 hours itakumenyekana inacho mede inacho ng'ombe yao then hiyo seri yako ringe baadaye ni sia a very big politician
governor from Samburu.
Yes. Ng'ombe zake sijui zilikuwa zinaenda wapi. But when I don't know about it, you wonder, okay, I don't know, okay, maybe you wonder about it, but ngombe cia weka na menya na deme ana kwa ngombe cia gavana na ubire operation ikabidi kwa wena ngombe cia kurukira mero cia kurukira mero wa trele ile.
Yes.
Na zinaenda tu.
Na inarithagia.
So that's the information that we had. That the governor of Samburu awira ngombe ciake.
Yes.
Lakini nyawe badi. Serious. So plus really cool. That's why I don't trust the government area. I don't trust the security personnel bakarianta. And these people are easily confused. So we are in the way, in America, atoka bala tuwe.
Twamirai.
Kinyama wakati lokwa. Is no you to agre ya mwenzo waku.
Yeah.
Is no you to agre tan kamera munde nuko. Is no you to akeyo ya ndidi ya una umetulia. Ni kujipanga. Yabo kenda wa ya community of 116 na release. Auri. Ni ndo wetu wakati lokwa. That is the only problem.
Na cheupe bari kumia bakaua bakarethia mwanka bari bwenga mwanka barabarene ya witia maua meru abusukuma kuma nara mwanka bwitia, and they are doing it very easily. No ndugona kithe in kamera uwe kwa mheshimiwa aliariria kamera yonto endi into bietete wikirwa mundene bakeya barithie munda yo kuno tibo wayo ita mbere nyoketha na barithie rethe munga uyu kariku yuroithe impempe yo kariku ba ukeya kumiringa bari ya bonde in that village no natu we are not harmed. They wipe the entire village and then they make sure also bakurithie nyako kungi kutiere na twaikirira. So ina to umire batu ankamera ina amiru beka ankamera ni tonto kamera cia bangi ikurithwa kwetu batarithia kwa. So obo mheshimiwa ale watware kujipanga tutapangwa.
You know, that's why the government is fully involved in this. Whatever you are saying, you know that those conspiracy theories, you need to put a governor and a company and a what? I don't believe so. But there is a support from the number one office in Kenya. Otherwise, they cannot be happy. And so, you know, those things happen in field states. In one day, right? In the how many? There are so many security in each area. In Aldiu, in the other Gambera, what? All these will be Gurkaira next cable. Gurkaira get camp here. Ada Aldiu. Aldiu kile rapid deployment unit. Mheshimiwa Manzi atika kila kini ngombe Gurkaira camp. So when the all the Amantu Wangwa work on the Mantuja, they are not part of it. Mantuja, Tricari, Ongo, they put in the Mantujon on two. Mombayo Kaya put in the investigation, which is in general. To get the neck came sooner. The Malay, if you look now are the beneficiaries, Ibao, in the weekend, so the government has cleared failed. But they show that they do what they are supposed to do. And whatever you happen now, but they happen in field states, Somali, not in a civilization like ours. Yes.
Okay, hakuna mtu wetu Asha aliwa Madia Goons in Kenya. It are taking home. Are we at the same path that maybe Haiti what it is today? Yani Madia yoka katika Kenya. Ya ndorasia maguse dodate. Ya kugikatu dirite barabareni. Ya aro ya tumire Haiti kinyare kinyite mokatai. Na by the way, kinyoke ndakoleria nini utukuria ukethwa Kenya no etume thirikari nyingi yere tumite police wao ndio bari Haiti. Ndikuria ita kuthiria. Then why are we not seeing the same in Meru? Na it's just a county. Na nikuwa ndo ingi ni watu bora iroba baingi. Ne onto thirikari te ko make sure ko kutumira resources ya yu otethia ntokayo ruki otethia ntokayo mtegiro ingi.
Are actually about goods.
Yes.
Zitumirwa both by thirikari na inya baba teki thirikari. So ngunzi bukona yontore kwina maandamano kitheia retu ona ngenzi ukona antu betete clearly bakamatite miti na betete kura antu na tibaibo bona and nothing is done. They descend on innocent children. Baba urana otio wo watwa. Which means ngunzi kairi in collaboration with the police. Kithia ni rira yontu gachagwa rira ari Nyeri irari kanisene antu bara bakamatite mite thitangi ibetanitie hand to hand na antu baina uniform borithi na ngare borithi rio ni tondu ngarire to bori na bwikitie miti so no buko karaura thirikari ke ya gwetha obu muntu wowa au abubo ya muno nontu Somalia, because me have worked in Somalia, I've worked in all those failed states na hinkomea ate andu ayoka boka boka na group enu ikauwa katwa ikaria irengi nyo kauwa kakatwa ikaria in the process barabongwa bandiki babukaria they have no power no ende antu iba pushro mwango ya boto kukire to kuende ne teorichi somewhere to enough is enough to take around tuona antu betu bagua no tio batethia katwa itethia twingwa bange nabo nabo bakauwa buo before you know they are the ones who are now keeping the law and order. So our government is playing with our lives very seriously. No, the country has been generated into total chaos. It is about now the time. The government is really serious to cap any action of goonism. No, the way we are right now. Ai tukaurana twinainyo no nturi yana baku be ya bakwa nwe ya bawe twindega gwe wote kwenda wikaria uketha tutikaruani these people batwikite batukaria no ntu maybe utabarea kana no ntu baiba murandi fulani antu baikaria bongo ai toiteto no twaginya
kuna mtu kombera ask deputy speaker ile bill ya green gold mambo imefika wapi, alafu since agriculture is a devolved function which other legislations on agriculture are before the house.
Ngwete bya kwariri the mira promotion bill 2025 twakilokirie na governor sent the same near an act of the county government of Meru. What is there key that bill it with a formation process, a formation ya committee. Nonto intention it was to protect Murimi Omira, biashara Omira na mutu Omira. Nonto tuonele kuna a lot of exploitation iringi Somalis ba. I don't know why and to that level. Monkanya Mira and Nira taken over by the Somali cartels. So we thought that Tumbako protect Antibeto. And that's why the governor now called us, members, Namno Committee Agriculture, Tokarandi, Hayana Vashon Yekerenio, and we sat down at listen to Naisawa. To end on to these people, Ibaraya and Janja, Kodura Bakan, Mira Twili. Kuarabaiti di oraba kwenda na kuregulate in their own terms. Tuwe mirane tu. Kinyaba tu ikanava wa terms chio control mire ariko. Number 2, kai okethirwa utimu Somali biashara wakamata mira oterita. So ibo bakurita ngweriku na kilo of mira berisha 500. So we have a team there. Iko almost 20 million in a day. Safari wakamata mira yake. Owore mumiro ka olo ka orangari ya mira oro Mandera gari ya ukumako Mogadishu. So kinya system no monkatulo eli as we speak dai kinya mkoni ya shemira ibo bakwendi urita miro gerwa orankoni ya kwa samwe watoka endoke mu Somali Mario mira I don't know where na bandite Mario these Somalis and that's why we've come up leaders bamrungu atekanya eitari muno the county the land members of the county assembly Meru and the governor Mutuma. We put on measures that we are county new licensing body. Yadri gari na neafa but me auto license ragento bata kuma imbi. Atokiuna at Meru. Kenda kudra ko ineshima ke the Mira business. But 2 again we appreciate effort in governor onto as we speak. The National Security Council karandi net mere make recommendation to Roma Nkayole Boy Kiunga na Mandera. At least boy bururi. It's a process to idrito to mediate tongere bangi no badiate from 2019 de mira enjiro. The intention ya yewi corona magafe. magafe ibo cartels bara batekete mira na ibo baingirie exploitation ya rimbeto nonto the demand in Somalia is so high na wabeta cut supply kenda bamiendiora bakwenda the four magafes but ende miankiwere kururo we are happy on to bashoka arabari mbere na biashara but to control as the county government of Meru uti exploitation ringi kiari mbira biashara na tubambira
Ngambiriti kwa nibira
ya mbira ni reta breke kinyata ino wita na wita but ende this law the specific law was ku contain na ku license these Somalis who are coming to do kintu kingi tugera ntobeto as dirikari kwa rio butethia kinyawe bareka ku entertain these Somalis miundenya ndio ndio baba ende monka kwa villages unakuta huko kwa mashinani wamelala huko tu wamekaa huko so nyanya ntobeto na baba ka serious meathi na Meru ni tekome we have a serious problem no wa inyelo rivo karika na kwa dirikari na we party ku inyelithia ke manto so an appeal kepo that process ya kuruta these Somalis miundenya ni oto kwambiriria ibo biashara by somewhere baenderie mbere kuwa kure na heshima na heshima te madhara yara bawito baringamira kuethia kutamira hiyo tutapigana na mpaka Yesu
One of the serious problem I've seen is kinya and andiki boka matamira these days iba Somali bakwandikwa mu Somali ri urangari na ake ya ndreba so basically raba atu no ntuito waginya twa itu kwendia mira baraba kwendia baika matiro ingari cietu na ndreba rethe nwao no these days bare yabongwa bathe iba urire mira ibo bautua mira yubongwa ibo baya ngari neo na ndreba kamata no so what value does it have to kianto baba kwanda mira so ibon kwenda kumenya now the act as the act taken that into account I need to read that act thoroughly mira antu unda chariwe na mira ene ndimbichi what it means kwethira ukiona your source of livelihood being taken noro and you can't do anything so act yu mheshimiwa ni protected the transporters need thank you.
I'll share with you the new in soft copy but it will be realistically to protect every aspect Kenya transportation and at the county level the people who will be licensed to trade and to ndito kwenda ntobeto bari biashara eriko wewe mu Somalia te yera miroro kwenda Meru ore yira okay through the county government of Meru county yako a license so that you can train with our people ni lupo turati tera ira tuma kwetho kwina over exploitation so Somalia yake ya horangare ketu eke yo kama tamira now you have to come through the county government of Meru we agree on mutuality now ni otore na Mungu ateli to save our people
Ndi mheshimiwa tuanze how did we find ourselves here so mostly the penetration area Somali community validate utonya monka mundeni na ntabetu baba kwambulide mira baba nekera wachika babaleka kukia ngejire lamsam atuganda kwedra nyabe mundeni sometimes bakiri baba kwambulida na mirere does the act I think I bypassed through it does the act protect not only you know that no andike sheria but the andike sheria kumanto jara kitumba kukapo for example na ndoma tujo kwa mbulida na miundo hayo ndio nasoma bara kwa kwa mbuleta ndela miaka yenyewe 5 10 going forward mtura na ndenwe and that and mndojure na kenda na a process you want to know already and we have sensitization kana now because now tu witaji kuelimisha alimebeto apart from kwenda tuna sheria tu wanaweza sensitization yale urabongo bakedrwa because I've seen a lot of problem nyanto batu kwenda witangobe o atu ko na beza chara la reda chari to no nda na ro le bele ba ave ya ba ko kompleta na mira ba ga tamantone ya holistically now so that to protect neck hope we mira how do we sensitize now non to da kole ya kompleta mtore o tumba ko mwinga anto mira ni ya
civic education not the same as sensitization. In fact, in my ward, I'm doing that on a daily basis. Kwera ntubetu now, thirikari yo karashia kinyathro yo guys nonto Somalis ba mtu atemea kuma Mandera in the village where I'm born umwithira iloit around there, so tamaa ilikuja na our fathers day barita biashara shemira bekite Somalis at bay. In fact, the year 205-204 it was in a serious crisis. There was a meeting and they get these Somalis out of Maua town. But then so the best thing that we can do with the civic education to run to now, there no nobody in this sense. But in Yababu openly ways. We should we want to keep them far away. Na heshima dinere yo kumera kemera was na mera akila hiyo wete Somali. It is sad because the way Somalis or mumero to kumaku, so they've taken advantage of that and to beto na over too porous ora ba kumya na ribu to batiri o mi this area and to beto baite maskini. In fact arimba biashara mamera da hii arimba mera wako kwa shinda. Our fathers were very stable. They were doing very well. Na Somalis bari easily. But ya nyamatari maua. So and then to about tamatu do ileta ishina yote. It will be a hectic process ya kumishokia but tukaeria. Tukaeria kukumbana. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm going to take you on to what time, lakini kiamugike wewe mheshimiwa kuna matonete JMK ya gavana kudiro atandikite antu ndene county ya Meru na au amuritereji wa uzo ngugicu tena mwanya na the former impeached governor na au bakiri no ntubakwira batikwenda kuirwa bakwambiria kweketha gavana ucio no joro bekethera rongi. Is it true that kwina thina na ikabukiri?
That is not true. Usually resentment cia DMK na turumu face head on no rone na arakirire menya siasa igotha kwina vested interest no through the process ira impeachment no na interest cia ku personal na baraba kwari baraba na interest but what we sat down as an assembly to tutenga kawira to ya kuliwanda in the assembly nto members are 69 to mento wa pick a few weta kubaite irisan governor nenda ku pick like 4 MCs abalani ite monya but the feeling of others was Ameru bakona batwi ndo ene witete twa so we sat down and agreed as members to what team member at executive serve your term idireka ekari so kwa baraba kama tere na bitterness baraba urashi away out of politics. So nereo kinyauri ngi ikona alliance ni kubwidho siasa tayara turi formation ni alliances kwa hivyo kwenda itakimunya to appease munya so to appease munya no munkawa ke matumambi ntaka urete wedo deputy governor to appease Linturi na waturau wali menge ku 40 to appease Kawira ungenwa waturaya na yake but watu members of the county assembly of Meru mbira mungu iboya in fact the county assembly of Meru in the history of county assemblies Kinya Nairobi there's a time Senate committee intergovernmental relations in the assembly and the report they have it in the Senate. You know, the most learned MCs in Kenya. Very young, very vibrant. So but we are not fools. Tukona wena makosa we question. Watu wa question serikali ya Kawira. DMK yake ndio ina an issue. Ikukondi executive. Na isi the procedures of the house. Obatiri kwaya wait statement. Which we do on every Wednesday. Wednesday you write a statement kwa ofisi fulani ene itina murutingwe uro tayari kuriko nuntu what happened Kawira aritingwe bake bonde abaita contract of 3 years. 3 years. Inyinge iran out this month. Na few iran out tarik 30 this month. So okay, awita mtu ina contract ya 3 years. Na tomba kwenga mtu nyoga dorenga ba. Aina security of tenure. So the best thing was to give way and baba diri contract yo baraba ngavana kuona ndia okay kuritaniria wangu. Aritanire ngwe nambi nabo lakini utumia ogera ore mushemani one DMK na ore mushemani ora munyaya youth stairs and he spoke aba wenga banoke imunya. Those were the sentiments of DMK kore on a Sunday. On a Sunday. Yes, address stairs na aria stories yake. Gavana mutuma kinyoga tolano ari regiment ya insecurity itwari batu mbataru baraba amenyoba kwethia waziri na ari au the regional security team was there when I issue battery with that team to press us in an hotel. So after 3 days ndio turakuanga mutuma no Kawira kwa pismunya, but that is too cheap for a politician. No battery going brand as a leader. You don't have to appease anybody. Mtu abatiri weta au pick whether no kwenda warana ngwet on merit. Na bro kweli. So what he said, no nere batu toroma tuende we spoke na kumare u alipoa. Alipoa. Ate areta to amore bring things in the assembly. It is statement we that we share. And there is a leeway ki our standing orders. Every Wednesday every member aina right await a statement from the executive. Na toya paya 1 week just to reply to issues. Lakini ndoro tura TV nari could make unnecessary noise where he never comes to the assembly. Kinyato weta kuo he is rarely seen there. Ndi iya karia yake yako aria. So assembly iko imara baatwe ituko oversight thirikari na as far as I'm concerned wende mwendali we indirect victim number 1 Kawira Mwangaza Jio taking together for 3 good years. Monkari atu abu taking together itemized budget. We need that ongere TMCs baranda and Senate. Korea. Whether the law need to to ban discriminated against. I went there personally. We need mwenda. So njia mwako 2022-2023 we got nothing. Nanda we okay. I'll fight for my people. 2022-2023. 2023-2024. Mwaka yuto yere kuono ya 2024-25. Lato omire. Tuwende ito kwite kintu kito wambi itemized budget. Nara to yana kintu kito equalization bill. Kenda tumbo protecting bara nunto questioning gavana area kuleta maendeleo kwa gwanto babu batia lewa yare ko. So as things are, want to shondi that pa. Uti wondi wona kintu more than the other word. So winde mwenda. Nanto jumbro wonda admin. Nanto kawiri watu maira na our opponent. So I'm free kuritangwishi yako ndemsi onjia and I'm doing it very well. Na njia kuona na nyanto iba kuona kwena changes inje mno. Like now, nadombe ombera dirikari te kuritangwi for the first time we have a vocational training center in Jiato Tarani. We have a level 3 hospital in Jiato Tarani. Isi ya hiyo bateri kulwelia. Barabara ira tukubwedia. Bora tukumba kwethia in consultations na dirikari. We have a university mbere ira yito kwa njia nero kwa Mariara. Through cooperative university. Yes. It's a dream that has come true. Whether ntureni tuwekera floodlight, tunachimba maji, tuko sawa. Ndina hata tuko wete sawa. Mambo iko sawa.
Okay, uko sawa. Maendeleo mnayaona pale.
You know, that's the problem. You know, it's not sometimes they are, because we are opposing someone, whether you are right, whatever they are doing, and sometimes they are demonizing into the Kiaga for political minding. You know, to me, you cannot end the government.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm doing Bakomanya. And people can see through. You know, Mero to do an drama in Ingemo. cia kuretwa mantu na show na mbi na whatever maybe akwa ndo kwa miss man jo meru ndo da meru tena drama hiyo but to me you know being a leader is a lot of responsibility kama mtume ile ndio ofisini for 1 year and so it's let people give him time to prove himself in whatever he's doing awe kanya then akamakirwa because alina being in you know being an leader na okay administration 1 year is a very short duration but you can see Manchera, you can see one of the activities in Apoli and we want a united mayor and the level of the siasa the policy then go tell the money choka hiyo kutoka imbraenda wa eyes ndio tukiwa kuona mtu naye akanyoro ro chini tamoni kwa makira
nara weta mashimo wano kuona ngoge
stop na maendeleo ti statements maendeleo it is real na antu bakona na bakona there is impact kwethire irwe rwikirwa kithe antu batirare arui bukona rui rwikirwe antu bakona so antu betu ibethire baino ume bamenye maendeleo ti statements ya weta bweta kithe press kana twethe atu ya tuka make a lot of statements tukiwa bobo kabwethwa muntu urore at the crowd na bwiri kumea kithe aunte barabara ewet kumana na nira bwithirwe kithe irwe rutwire rutwaya thina irurekirwe so maendeleo you feel it you hear it and you see it but mantu ya siasa na yera maendeleo ya kuira wa buketha kia kuirwa kithe kwa mutandao mtu nonkumire kwa mutandao kuwa buba bwithetie na no tio kuona that's different now oya boto wa mutumate akwendi tamwirathira tamwe west yombwe but twikinye ya unkuma nwende bene nwe tukona na ate bwithetie baraba uwa otibo bwithetie bakorwende ni boronere na wewe ngwa like right now korwo bumbwithetie wondenti ndatoria beneficiaries kawo imbwithetie ona nona kairo imbete miundene yantu ngeta mboni ndabaere mungao neta skuru nkawo indayanire maugu you know is something you can see timantu yaratukuya kwirwa so kawe kanya abwithie ngwewe 2027 yekinya tukethe atu ina scorecard yao yawe nwe au wenda bwitherio na nona and empower antu bamwire yitwa mionere yeah
tukithikiri pattern shot ukithikira pattern shot yako kwa kupatia
Thank you, Chopin Tabakyo. You know, Sodiamenti, area model constituency in Meru County. Also, Kumarenya Kreito Morongali, area MPI. Nayenda Ramono. But as we speak now, the glory of Sodiamenti area, we are not seeing. You know, no to kuga reagan to kill it way. Where joke that could dealing to benefit that child. You built on what was there. There is so the main you only everywhere. You are doing a bunga to Temona, to the winner Kuga at the Ramonage. So the main now I get at a care area. I just so the main ground in the Tuatic one can. Project to teach to one ground, no mitandao na jitana ndege nambi. But now they want to the mantis siasa mo. But we nyambele tu kunya mwaka ina 2027. Tuna project ila tunacho. Manzara tu kuliweria karibati ya Saudi Arabia. But kiramba wetere enda bamenya what we are doing for now. Through my office, Ugota Mokale Muriungi Foundation. When a program ila tunachoya to give a job back to the community. Ndio akili for example, ndio document ile itawa affidavit. Enda ka unto kuinga mono. tukonengana nayo for free ila ntu bara bakomba wa access office yetu kwena mandira yange nyamagamba ya succession kali muri foundation de koreanusu na mukali ulo kwenda utela kai wa koreanusu bingi twatela ni ganjile yo tukodi dia training ya bonda leaders bonda betu bara batina license kali muri foundation de lete driving school ale ya statutory fees ya kila serikali tuna program nyingine tukudi change digital for care and Gen Zs na our young people. Tukudi training ya photography, video editing, whatever material ya digital spaces. Tunamuka Modern Foundation, Karianusu, Ababa Karianusu. Na program nyingine ni kama chepira tukudi before tukinya magana 2027. Kana tudira tuko cover the gap ira tuko na ereo even before tukinya na role mwaka ya 2027 tudira tukira tuenda on that platform ndio wakili I think bunge na ile sheria kidogo ana sheria kidogo na ile bunge utatera mwananchi through nya budget na bills ila cheta parliament I think I'm better placed for represent mwaka ya parliament ndio tukaenda kwa
Thank you.
Ivoya sana nana takwenda mbwira antu bameru onka bwethia antu amuria bwa Southimenti mbere kambue ivoya sana nyano tuwakanya na mbere mumeru kemeru ikiu au timu athwakiriro tikiawe tukeya twinthe ana twarie but muntu na wiri kwilelwa na bwabwithetie unindente kimanto a maendeleo tikankwathiirwani no nthomerete maendeleo. My PhD is in economics development and by the way mbwithite law international human rights so ntuona nkethia kuruira antu nika that is also my background which I have also done. Now kimanto a maendeleo unitiankwathiirwa the organization yekweta wa the Village Trust iritete ngwe over 20 years. Over 20 years ndina beneficiaries baba ingi muno. Currently ibombo no kwa na skuru cienu na village cienu through programs yelira nkubwithia imwe ni ntena elimu niyo twita ki skuru ire very vulnerable twa mauku kuma PP1 mwanka grade 9 tukashoga together twina mentorship ya boy child no tuitonete nya tukepush elimu together tutikuona manto ya boy child nyabo by empowered we want to lift the community so to a program wetu ya mentorship ya boy child to also program niyo ya feeding program tweta tukona skuru irana barauka kura skuru no tubatina bya kurea we also do that all that is under na elimu ndio so nte na ukulima ndo nte kwenda kuruna boka na families itiwa so we do smart farming. I've also been in their villages kana nkiba introduced to smart farming kuma vertical farming kuma how to use grow bags kubwethia kwa ndakithani kwa chie kwa nda vegetables now we call it our farm on the go waikua ukuthura ne aure wakamata munda yoku waitayo ukathama yo because it's our farm on the go. So this is smart farming which we normally introduce in almost every constituency in Meru County. I've introduced that. Baatu kuritangwe, it is part of us because we want to impact life. Because I have done it, I have been doing it, and if given a higher platform, I'll be able to open more doors in order for me to do more.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Mheshimiwa kapisha tiku na kuina mtongwera ukumbera kwire Mheshimiwa na tureketa kugitinda kwenda kana renda kulimini gitenyo kiwari wish nyana kurombe tikesendita
we for now ndiendelea kurombe TKMC mwanta nonto myake mingi mno ni raurite indare na vision ntubanjia but ngomana yire 3 years so I just have 2 years to prove my worth krianto So that's why I decided I could defend the same seat. Na my parting shot kera ntubanjia twi mashinani itukurita ira twabwirire na iba kuona bora tukwetia. So na appeal wended on support as their leader. Muno maromba that I may find favor and grace around the ngwita. Ntubutomba ku achieve within a span of 1 year immersive. Kwithira tuina boa like 4 of them within a span of 1 year tikawaida. Kwithira tuina a level 3 hospital, the first one in history of Jakuma 1963 and behold 1963. Damare tikawaida. Kwithira tuina a village polytechnic, the first one again history njia behold 1963, the first one in Lemoro tikawaida. Na kiamana mno university ratu union landmark ratu union the biggest ukilugira wa governor na the cooperative university ratu wokiro mariara union gedro game changer to the Igembe nation, and it is the first one in Igembe. Graciously rengi award kwithira tu ina safe home mera wako ishofko ina dirikare county government of Meru farm rengi tikawaida. So graciously we've done so much within a span of 1 year. So tutafanya kazi tuenda mwaka yunge kiendelea kurikira ntobanji yangu maybe 2032 nara 2032 nitakuwa naomba kiti ingine kubwa, lakini for now niko sawa hapo niko.
Okay. All the best ingine. Hata mimi nataka kiti.
Tukia.
Anyway, all the best give awine. Madam, people want interview for Kwanda. No, we need really need us like you guys. Kiri county leader. Murikieni na mutege kama TV, thank you so much. Na tubako drore mwana batu kumakahita kato ambirije mwakeda ito mbako tatu kinyamudia jua rumuriro siasa ndwalire ntuko ya sand. Big up to sana team SMS, thank you so much. Kama ntaromba kwa hata SMS tienu, thank you so much. Na tubako drore mwana batu baraba kutegerete email TV na mtero Facebook, thank you so much. Mwakira ntuko ya rojo rata tumana ringiro kire kama mekatire FM kwambia bako mwizire mwaka danya otuo no tuo mwaka ndikajeri wachepe.
koga atetheka na gita rĩa kuria kumwari kurikio kinya ijau igurira bikibiki ya muthemba jo mwega jwa captain o amwe na muthemba jwa tiger nitwe endie ba bikibiki iria citagia kibari jeka ikwina ma batu twetherwo ndene ya mutindo wa jwa kangangi o aja ujo akue na musigiti na nitugwatanirite na wata ciringi 55,000 ukwana na 2,557 kethiro urenda kuriaga ontuko ni ciringi 350. namba cietu cia thimu ni cio ukuonera kioni-ini giaku o au ijanga uigwatire bikibiki tenge bikibiki ni captain kana tiger likana bikibiki cietu ciothe ciena warrant na nkuruki au ni twendagia ona spare cia mithemba yonthe kiria gikwendekana ni withirwe na original ID card, KRA pin na galanta umwe ijagu tigintu kagia gwetu no gatetheka.
Wewe ni Mkenya na una ndoto za kisiasa. Ungependa kuwa mwanachama wa chama halisi kukuwezesha kufikia ndoto zako kisiasa. Huu ndo wakati wako. Chama cha Naopeo ndicho chama kinachokupa fursa ya kweli ya kufanikisha ndoto zako za kisiasa. Tumefungua milango na kutanua wigo. Tunakaribisha wanachama wapya kutoka kila pembe ya Kenya. Jisajili leo kutumia simu yako kwa kubonyeza *509# au ujiandikishe kupitia eCitizen ama tembelea www.ipps.orpp.or.ke. Chama cha Naopeo ndicho chama kinachoongoza kwa umaarufu Meru na kote nchini Kenya. Jiunge nasi leo ili uweze kuwa sehemu ya mabadiliko na upande ngazi pamoja nasi. Chama ni Naopeo, tupande ngazi pamoja. Pixel tauna nyuki nitwimo chijomishemo yonthe kenera nyomba chetu cha kurara kuma kiwango kia standard, Spiria na executive. Akiri chemani ya kibiashara turi na Modern Conference Hall iliyobitethiraga mushamo na alitingoge beotea gukwa kiririkano kia ndionga yaku Pix. Aja Pix Hotel nkero ikwena iriole gataria thambira na rojirori na karutera ukenero tungata spa, sauna, steam bath, manicure, pedicure na kamasanji kamarerete ukiebera stress. Turina outdoor training, rope courses, 88 meters zipline, hiking na forest camping. Mwago jojunde jokirikidhwa ne udhongi Mount Kenya, The Aberdares na Lodaiga Hills. Pix Hotel Nanyuki 33 kilometers kuma Nanyuki town, barabara ya Nanyuki kuelekea Meru. Haranile natwi kukurokera 0711-969-690 na keri website ni www.pixhotels.co.ke na ukamenya kongo getu gatikarithira mushamo. Pix Hotel Nanyuki, beauty and taste with nature.
Beauty and taste with nature. Pix Hotel.
Anuje no waranire no Beach chia Meru TV na There FM ukaigwa kuri ontoboti okugweria kumakere programu iria igwetaruone nandi no tume maoni jaku gukurukira email yetu iria ni merutv.complaincenter@gmail.com kana uturingire thimu gukurukira 0140 794 142. Meru TV chionere mwanya.